Good morning, everybody. Welcome to JTraedz TV, where we discuss all stock-related content and much more, man. Guys, thank y'all so much for joining me, man. I definitely appreciate you for the love, the support, everything, man. Let's go ahead and get a dive in. I did jump in a little bit early today due to the fact that today is Friday and it's the last trading day of the week. And we want to see how we're going to set ourselves up, how we can prepare ourselves, getting ourselves set up for, again, the last trading day and going into next week. Let's go ahead and take a dive into our news. Stock futures slip as Wall Street takes a breathe after a two-day rally. Stock futures fell slightly after the major averages posted back-to-back gains on easing geopolitical fears. Dow Jones Industrial average futures traded lower by 92 points, or 0.2%. S&P 500 lost 0.1%, while NASDAQ futures shed 0.2%. Shares of NVIDIA and Advanced Micro Devices rose more than 1% and about 3%, respectively. In early trading, the moves has come as people familiar with the matter told by CNBC. The NVIDIA CEO Jensen Huang is planning to visit China in the upcoming days. All right, guys, so let's go ahead and go right into our economics. As far as economics goes, we do have some data that's going to be coming out. We have the PMI composite flash that's going to be at 9:45, and we're going to have the consumer sentiments right at 10 o'clock. And also, we're going to have the leading indicators, guys. So, really not too much to go on, we already know today's the last trading day of the week. Not going to have too much news, too much information coming out, but I will keep you guys updated on everything as everything presents itself. Let's go into SPY. Right now, dealing with SPY right now, we know that we're still on this, we have cracked the uptrend, starting to fall right back underneath. What price point is that, guys? That is 688. If we stay underneath that 688 level, we do have room to pull our way back down towards these lows. That's going to be around the 685s, from 685s on down, where we can start going from an uptrend to now a possible downtrend. So right now, again, we started to crack underneath this uptrend level that we were holding at this point in time from Wednesday's bottoms, going into Thursdays into Fridays. You can see we started to slowly crack underneath these price points. So for my Patreon members, guys, I did jump on early because I want to break down things in real time instead of typing everything out. So I want you guys to see everything that I'm seeing as far as the the price points and price actions and patterns. So far, it looked like that we are underneath that downtrend, guys, right underneath that 688-ish level. And also underneath the 200-day moving average, where we could start creating somewhat of a downtrend. So as far as Thursday going into Friday, we look like we ran up as high as 691s, where we started to get rejected and started to hit this downtrend back down to the downside underneath the 200-day moving average, and we could start to see some downside coming. If we do crack this 687 level, we do have room to pull back down to these this area here, right around the 685 level, and so forth. But we could start to create somewhat of a downtrend from this 691 on down. So we do have these tops, and so far, we did crack the uptrend. So what we're gonna do right now, guys, is try to create somewhat of a downtrend setup on Friday. Because remember, Monday sets the tone, Friday sets the standards. So you kind of see somewhat of a downtrend, almost like a transition. So we're going to keep our eyes peeled on that. Let me go ahead and post this out real quick. So if you notice, we do have somewhat of a transition where we're going from a downtrend to an uptrend into a downtrend. I do apologize about that. And we're going to definitely keep our eyes peeled on that. If we do crack below that 687, we do have room to fall back down towards the 685s and so forth, where we could get this lower high built. So I'm going to definitely keep my eyes peeled to see where we're going. AMD is still holding up pretty strong from the 260 levels, trying to move our way back on up. We do have highs right around this 262.50 level. We will set an alert right around 250.50 if we can get that push back above that price point. So I will set an alert for you guys, for those who may have been trading AMD. So let me just set it up real quick. 262.50. Set my alert right here. All right here, this pre-market around these pre-market highs, I will set an alert to see if we do break above that 250 level. Do we have room to run up towards 263 up to 265? It does look like we still are building an uptrend on AMD. So I'm definitely keeping my eyes peeled on that. So that's that. So far, starting off with the market, we may have AMD starting off with the top gainer out of all the blue chip stocks. Excuse me. As far as Tesla, we have a downtrend setup as well. Starting, creating a little bit of a weakness, and we are underneath the 200-day moving average on that one as well. Where Tesla likes to move by $5 increments. So from the 445s, 450s up to 460s and so forth, we're definitely gonna keep our eyes peeled on that to see if we're gonna have a continuation downtrend versus an uptrend. The way that Tesla's set up right now, we do have somewhat of a downtrend setup. So what I'm gonna do is try to set some type of setup from from right here, this price point right where we at, to see where we're gonna go from today. But the thing about it with Fridays with Tesla, normally with Tesla likes to set up for short squeezes. So we're gonna see if we can get this move back up towards the upside. If not, again, guys, be prepared for possible continuation downtrend from the 450s back down to the 445s, back down to 440s, where we will, get this move back down to the downside. But we're gonna keep everything on watch. But the main thing that has been holding throughout this week has been AMD. AMD's been holding up pretty decent. I mean, you can't knock that. AMD has been holding up pretty well. As I stated, as we do break above this 262.50, we do have room to run our way back up towards, up towards 263s, up to even 265. So just definitely keep your eyes peeled to see can we get that break and that continuation movement towards the upside on AMD. So as the market is about to soon open, I know roughly within almost 18 minutes, we're gonna definitely keep our eyes peeled to see where we're going to go. As far as SPY ran up as high as 690, 691. I mean, you can clearly see the range that we are in as of now with SPY. From these areas of 691. Platicaller, boss, thank you so much for the follow, man. I definitely appreciate you for the follow on Kick, man. God bless you. I wish you many more blessings, man. Appreciate you for the love and support, man, and for the follow. And I wish you, like I said, wish you many more blessings to come, man. And we're going to definitely keep it rocking and rolling. Welcome, man. Welcome. Guy, I got to give some love to my guy. Welcome. Thank you so much for joining me, boss, man. That is my brother from another mother, guys. If y'all want to give my guy a follow, do give my guy some love and support at Welcome. That is spelled at WALCOLMX. That is Welcome X. It's almost like Malcolm X, but Welcome X. Definitely give him some love, man. Hit up this, hit his that follow button or subscribe button on his channel, and definitely try to do what you guys can to definitely get his channel up and running, man. But welcome, man, brother. Thank you so much for the follow and the love, man. I definitely appreciate you. Ingrid, you already know what time it is. Queen, right back is, wait, what? Can't see you. The right back is, wait, hold on. Oh, I'm sorry. I forgot to take that down. I'm sorry. Let's see. I'm sorry, man. I forgot to take all that down. I'm sorry, Queen. Thank you so much for alerting me. Thank you, Queen. I didn't even know that was even up. I'm sorry. All right, guys. I'm sorry. I apologize because I got so many, guys, you gotta understand. Welcome can relate to this. When you're doing live streams, it's so many things you have to deal with, especially when you have a small team, you're by yourself. Man, it's so many things you gotta deal with. And then Aussie Queen, thank you so much for alerting me about this. I do apologize. So I did drop it down, and but yeah, man, it is when you're by yourself, man. You do your live streams. And again, before the market opens, guys, I'm gonna be 102% honest with you. When you are by yourself, you don't have a strong team, behind you, by yourself, you depend on yourself. you gotta rely on yourself, man. You gotta deal with so many things, man. Try to make sure that your live stream is up and running. You gotta deal with so many things, man. Mike muted for like 2 hours before. Oh, yeah, shout out, boss. But yeah, man. But people don't realize that what a lot of live streamers go through, and that's why I give props to a lot of these these top-notch streamers from Constantnet, DDG. Shout out to DDG. To a lot of these, Phantom and all these other top streamers, man. It's a lot we go through, man. It's a lot that we go through, and everything is not gonna be perfect, man. There's gonna be some ups and downs, but that's why we need you guys, as far as our supporters, as far as our chat members, man. If anything is off, man, please alert us to let us know what is off so we can fix it right then and there. But man, thank y'all so much, man. Aussie Queen, thank you so much, because I didn't even realize it was up. I had to take it back down, so appreciate you. But ladies and gentlemen, man, please give my guy welcome again, WALCOLMX. Please give him a follow on his channel. Give him as much love and support as you possibly can, because again, that is my brother from another mother, and I always told him that, even when I'm on his stream, I want to do the best that I can to show love and support towards him, and to try to help get his channel up. So. But man, we all have to work together as a team, guys. Because we're human. We're one person, man. We can only do so much, because we're not perfect, man. We all make mistakes, but there's a lot of people that goes on to these live streams trying to make it seem that they're so perfect. Man, nobody's perfect, man. I'm a type of person. I speak in reality. I'm real. I'm honest, and even I make mistakes, man. And things happen. And if I do make a mistake, man. Chat, my supporters, man, which I love to death, man. If I do make a mistake, I have something up and I don't notice it, please let me know. And I'm here to do whatever I can to make you guys happy, because especially being and again, I'm gonna be 110% honest, being in a streamer world versus being in the gamer world is totally different, and it's totally challenging. Like when you I'll put it like this: when you are in a streamer world is versus the gamer world, it's considered boring, because and I don't blame you guys. It is boring. You see charts going up and down. It's not a lot of activities, or it's not a lot of excitement in the in the market world. Versus gamers who and I love, and again, shout out to all my gamer streamers who doing their thing, handling their business. Shout out to everybody handling their business. In the streamer world, it's totally different, because again, all you do is looking at is charts. Versus gaming, where there's a lot more excitement in the gaming world than in the stock world. And shout out to my guy, Ace the Trader, one of my brothers from another mother too, who I love to death. It is challenging, and sometimes we may make mistakes, man. But we're human, man. Nobody's perfect, man. Nobody's perfect, but we're here together to work together as a team, to help each other, encourage one another. Man, if we make mistakes, man, let us know. Like I said, shout out to Aussie. If I make a mistake, let me know. I do apologize. So, like I said, as far as in the trading market or what we're doing right now, I mean, we are in somewhat of a downtrend. Also, I'm gonna let you know too, Queen, because I told you already. I alerted you ahead of time that if I wasn't gonna post on my Patreon, I was gonna post in real time to let you keep you aware of what's going on right now. As of right now, for all my traders who are watching me, as of right now, we are somewhat in the downtrend. We were in a range. We still are in a range of right around this 686, almost 687 level, up towards the 691. So you can kind of see we kind of going back and forth. We're still holding this area right here. So Aussie and everybody else who are trading at this moment, my trader supporters, watch this level here, guys, to see can we hold. If we do crack, we do have room to fall back down towards the 685s, where we can start to create somewhat of a downtrend on Friday. Because you got to remember, Monday sets the tone, Friday sets the standards. You got to keep that in mind. Because what we have to do is, and the reason why I'm saying this is, we have to take the movements of this week going into next week. So remember, what is this week's challenge or resistance is going to be next week's challenge until we either break or it remains resistance. As of now, we know that every time we run around, we run up towards 691, we get rejected. We run up towards 691, we get rejected. I mean, you can clearly see this clear as day. So that means that that's holding up at strong resistance. So we know where the sellers are literally sitting at. So at this moment, and we are all pulling back down towards the 686, almost 687 level where buyers are holding. If buyers can hold, yes, we can get that push back up towards the upside where we can see, you know, the 688s up to 690s. Because we know buyers, because you got to keep in mind, guys, when it comes down to the markets, it's a trade-off. Pretty much, it's a straight trade-off. Sellers are trying to, you know, their goal is to go lower. Buyers' goal is to go higher. So that means that if buyers can hold around the 686 of the 687 level, yes, you do have room to run up to 688, up to 690, and so forth. But we know where the all-time high, well, not say all-time highs, but we know where resistance is as of now. So if we take this chart or take this square here, and let me go sideways right here. This is the range that we are located in at this moment. Let me, I can change the color to it if y'all need me to it, no problem at all. I'll change the colors to it. Go to gray, whatever the case may be. Whatever y'all need to, whatever that makes you guys happy, man. You know, anything to help you guys out. You know, like I said, my goal is to make you guys happy, man. So let me go to 70. Okay, on here. I know you can't really see it. I know it's too light. But you can clearly see the range. You can clearly see the range. You can clearly see the bottoms. I mean, again, we're just speaking on reality type sense. We know the bottoms is around this 687-ish level, and we know the tops is around the 691 level. So we know where the sellers are located at, and we know where the buyers are located at. So again, if we want to get back on this uptrend or continue the trend, not all seeing whoever else is watching, we know that we have to get back above what price points. We know that we have to get back above the 688s, up the 690 levels, because we want to move our way back up to the upside. If we stay underneath 688, we know we have room to fall back down to what price points? 686, 685, where we will start to go back down this way. So the question is, okay, let me ask you guys this. As far as Friday, where do you think that we're going to go today? Do you think that we can find our way back up to 686 and continue our way back on up towards the upside of 689, 690s, you know, back into the 690 brackets? Or do you think that 688 can hold up as resistance and we continue on down to the downside going to next week? So, in other words, do you think that we can see more upside, or do you guys think that we can see more downside? What do you guys think? Whoever else is watching, all my trader supporters, where do you think that we can go as far as Friday? Where do you think that we're going? As far as blue chip companies that help SPY move, like I said, AMD is still holding up pretty solid, you know, towards the 260s. We got to get that break back above 260, 250 for that push back up towards, you know, up towards 265. I mean, we definitely have a lot of bias, you know, watching AMD. So we know it's going to be one of the top gainers for the blue chip companies. We know that for sure. As far as Tesla, we know that we're downtrending, because I know that was second behind that. So we know with Tesla, we're creating somewhat of a downtrend. We know with AMD, we're creating more of an uptrend. So from 260s back up towards the 260, 250s, we can get that push up towards the upside. So we know AMD is holding up pretty solid. Tesla's pulling back at this time. So we have to, again, it's all about reality and what we see. It's not about what we want. It's what the market is presenting us. So let me go to Apple at this time as well. Oops, I put the wrong ticker. My bad, guys. Let me go to AAPL. Sorry about that. So we know even with Apple's creating somewhat of a downtrend back down to the downside. We are holding right around this 247.50 level. We know that. We have tops all the way back up towards 251. So, and also we have these levels here. So, I mean, right now, we're just looking at realistic setups at this moment. Again, it's not about what we want, it's about what the market is presenting us. We know that with AMD is holding up an uptrend. I mean, look at the difference, guys. Look at the difference between AMD right here, and look at the difference between Apple, Tesla, and all these other companies. Right now, it looks like we're downtrending while AMD is still uptrend, which means that buyers are more focused on what price, on what ticker, AMD. So that means AMD is holding up pretty solid. Now, it's only when you fall back underneath that 260, yes, you can get this pull back down towards, you know, 255s, even that back down towards the 250s. But at this time, We have a nice movement on up, and this is pre-market setup. We know from pre-markets, we held these bottoms right around the 250, 250s, got that nice push back up to the upside. So majority of buyers are looking at AMD at the time. So right now, that look like that this is still considered the top gainer as of now, while everything else is still pulling back. Do I think, you know, Tesla and all of them will fall? Like I said, normally on Fridays, let me go back to Tesla. Normally and I'm just being honest, normally on Fridays, Tesla, it likes to set up for short squeezes. Even though we may be going down, buyers may be stepping in and trying to go for a push back up. But right now, I mean, we are downtrending, but I definitely want to see if buyers can step back in, right? Stay above the 445s, get their way back up towards the 450s, because you already know how I always break down Tesla. Tesla likes to move by $5 increments, right? 445, 450, 455, 460s, and so forth. So right now, yes, we are downtrending at this time, but right now we are still staying on top of what price point? 445. So from 445, we want to push our way back up slowly towards the 450s. From 450s, we want to go back. We want to go back up towards the 455. So again, on Fridays, normally on Fridays, Tesla likes to set up for short squeezes. So if we can get these buyers to step back in, and if you are already in, as long as you're holding 445, yes, you do have room to possibly push your way back up to 450 to test. So definitely keep that on watch. So do I think Tesla can still push his way back up to the upside, knowing that we are pulling back down? I still think Tesla has room to push back to the upside. I think so. I do. But right now, we know that a lot of eyes are on what ticker? AMD at this time. We know this. With SPY, we know that, you know, longs, we want to get back above what price points is 688. We want to go from 688. We want to push our way back up towards the 690s. Because we know that the goal is to try to get it back, you know, long-wise, we know the goal is to get up towards 700. We know this. But we got to slowly climb our way back up to the upside. It takes time, you know, depending on the volatility. You know, we know right now, starting up with SPY, 688. From 688, we want to go to 690. 690, we want to push our way back up to 692 and just move our way back closer and closer towards 690. Driving, can you check? Yes, sir. No problem at all. Guys, also love and support to my one of my mentors, again, a father figure to me in the stock market, which is Primo. I love Primo, man, because Primo has changed my trading career in so many ways. Primo, I definitely want to give you your roses. Thank you so much for everything you've done for me, done for the community. So again, shout out, let me give some love real quick to Primo. And yes, the boss, I got you on that. No problem at all. I never hesitate on you. Shout out to Primo, man. Appreciate you. Shout out to Welcome as well, my brother from another mother. Definitely give him some love too. Appreciate you. But yes, boss, no problem at all. I have no problem looking at OKLO. Yes, sir. No problem at all. As far as OKLO, boss, let me take a look at it real quick. Well, I'm looking at the 5, and I'm also looking at my hourly chart. So we look like we ran up as high as 100, and we started to pull our way back on down. Let me take a closer look at OKLO to see how we could be setting ourselves up for Friday. We know right now, based off of pre-market areas, buyers are holding at 91, trying to push his way back up towards 92. So we do have buyers at this moment stepping in. Well, I know we got about 3 minutes until the bell rings. So it looks like buyers are stepping in right now. Primo trying to push his way back up to 292. Intraday highs, we ran up towards these 92, almost 9260 level. 9260 levels up to 93. So it look like buyers are trying. So far right now, Primo, it look like buyers are trying to hold a bottom right around 91. So as long as buyers can hold 91, yes, you do have room to push your way back up towards the 9250 up to 93. So I'm gonna definitely keep my eyes peeled, and I'm gonna also set an alert for you, boss. I got you on that. Let me set up an alert on right around this 9260-ish level. And from 9260, you do have room to run up towards 93. Now, the pre-market levels from yesterday was around 94 up to 95. So, but the main thing is we want to hold a floor. 91 is holding at this time, but that possible push back up towards 92 up to 93. So I would definitely keep you updated on that, boss, because I know you're driving right now, and I got you on that. And I'm going to get everything set up. We got about a minute in. So let me go ahead and get everything set up for my guy Primo. Like I said, that's one of my goals. One of my getting a father figure to me in the market that I love, who I love to death, I admire, and definitely want to help him out as best as I can too on his as he's traveling safe journeys to you too, boss. Like I said, right now bottom's 91. We want to get that break back above 92 for sure. We get above 92, we do have room to push our way back up towards that 93 level. So from 91 to 93, let's just say that, in the $2 range. We'll say 91 to 93. Mid area is 92. So I got you on that, Primo. I got you, boss. I got you. No problem at all, boss. So yeah, we definitely want to keep our eyes peeled on that. We want to get it back above 92 for sure. Let me set an alert right at 92. We got about, guys, 20 seconds before the bell rings. About 20 seconds. I did set an alert for Primo, 92 from 91 to 92 to see can we go for that dollar push. Watching this floor at 91 on OKLO. So right now it's from yesterday's setup until today we have a downtrend. We want to go for a downtrend breakout. Bell is about to ring, guys. Right about now. Let's go. Bell is ringing. Pull it right back down towards 91. 91. We're underneath 91. Pull it all the way back down to the 90s. So right now, look like the downtrend. Ooh, nice. So far right now, Primo, we are starting to get a downtrend. We started to get a downtrend pull. Underneath 91, back down towards the 89s. Guys, if you are trading OKLO, you want to get back above 90. You want to get back above 90. We are underneath that 90 level. We want buyers to get back above 90. We want to get back above 90 level. Get back above 90 level. We're still getting a lot of downside coming down towards 89 level. Right off of this downtrend setup from yesterday's until today. Got a downtrend setup, still pulling back down. Let's see. We need buyers to get back above 90. We need buyers to get back above that 90 level. AMD, guys, AMD is starting to push back to the upside that we talked about. As I told you guys, a lot of attention was going to be on AMD. We are back above 265 on AMD. 265. We want to hold 265 for that push back up toward 270. Sorry, 270. SPY, you want to hold above 688 for that push right up towards that 690. Right now, we are definitely getting some downside Primo on OKLO right now at this moment. Back down towards 88. You're getting a pull back down towards 88. Buyers are trying to hold 88s, trying to push their way back up towards 90, but there's a lot of sellers right now at this moment. A lot of sellers taking place right now. So let's see, guys. Let me see what's on my top gainer. So far, AMD is still my top gainer, followed by NVIDIA. All right, we're starting to get a lower shadow on OKLO from the 88s. Trying to push our way back up towards 89. Dollar push back up towards the upside for my OKLO traders. Want to hold at 89 for that push back up to 90. We want to get our way back up into the 90 region. 90 region. As far as AMD, Queen, no, I mean, you still got time right now. The market is still active, still hot. You got to remember, Queen, the first, again, give the 30 minutes, give it some time to set up, give it some time, and don't forget, you got some data coming out, Nadia, at 10 o'clock. You got the, if I'm not mistaken, if I go back, let me go up. I think you have PMI data coming out at about 10 o'clock. Let me go to my PowerPoint real quick. Let me go to my economics real quick. Yeah, you have PMI data coming out at 9:45, and you have consumer sentiments and leading indicators at 10 o'clock. So you have data from 9:45 to 10 o'clock. Okay, so let's go back. Let me keep Primo updated as he's driving. So right now, Primo, as far as OKLO, boss, we are pulling back down towards the 88s. If you're all trying to go long side, boss, we need to hold 88 back up to that 89 to 90. So the main thing is we want to get back on top of 90. So 88, we are definitely holding 88 at this time. Buyers are desperately trying to hold 88. They're definitely trying to fight for the 88 floor. But right now we're definitely getting a sell-off at this time. Got a downtrend set up. Sellers are definitely taking control of OKLO at this moment. Sellers are definitely stepping in. At this time. Trying to keep buyers underneath, trying to push them back down. Right now, buyers are stepping in, protecting 88. We're trying to get back above 89. Remember, guys, if you are trading OKLO, you want to get back above 89 to 90. 89 to 90. We want to get that strong reversal back up to the upside. Right now, 88 is floor. 88 is floor at this time. So right now, buyers are trying to get back above 90. So right now, we are fighting in a dollar range between 89 and 88. AMD, as far as AMD, we have went up as high as 266.96, right back underneath that 265, which I still think that AMD still has a lot of room left in that tank to push toward that 270. If they can get that break back above 265, we do have room to push our way back up to 270. Keep your eyes peeled on that. As far as OKLO, got a lot more sellers than buyers. Sellers are definitely trying to pull back underneath 88. So right now, Primo, you have buyers and sellers fighting right around 88. Buyers are trying to stay above 88. Sellers are trying to go below 88. But you do have a strong engulfing red candle back down towards 88 right now, Primo. Sellers are definitely coming in right now. Sellers are definitely coming in. Sellers are definitely trying to go back underneath 88. So remember, guys, if you crack 88, you do have room to fall back down towards 86. But right now, buyers are fighting desperately at 88. So keep in mind, you are in a range right now, 88, 90. Right now, buyers are trying to hold. Right now, we're getting a little small green candle back to the upside above 88, trying to push its way back up. But watch this key level, guys, because we do have an engulfing red candle on OKLO. If sellers do come in, they're going to try to crack 88 back down towards the 86. 88 down to 86, where you do have somewhat of a bear flag pattern. So again, 88 down to 86. So keep this in mind. Sellers are still trying to overpower the buyers on OKLO underneath 88, trying to push his way back down. Right now, buyers are trying to fight 88, but keep your eyes peeled, guys. 88 is going to be a very crucial level. If we can hold 88, yes, you have room to possibly push your way back up to 89 to 90. What's up, boss? Chubb? What's up, boss? What's up? Morning. As far as a SPY, we do have a downtrend setup underneath 688. 688. So we do still have a downtrend setup that's still looking pretty weak. As far as AMD, you are pulling, sellers are trying to pull right back underneath 260. Keep that in mind. So we do have a lot of selling pressure taking, at the beginning of the market. A lot of selling pressure. Let's see, can these buyers hold? Let's see. AMD, you got to stay above 260. OKLO, you got to stay above 88. Keep that in mind. As far as SPY longs, you got to stay above. You want to get above that 688, but stay above 686. So I'm watching everything as of now in real time, guys. As of now in real time. So right now, as far as OKLO, buyers are holding 88, trying to push his way back up to 289. 89. So you are still within somewhat of a dollar range between 88, 89. If we know buyers are trying to push their way right back up towards 90. So think of a range between 88 and 90. 88 to 90. As long as buyers can hold 88, they have room to push their way back up to 89. From 89, we want to push our way up towards 90. If sellers crack 88, we know we have possible room to fall back down towards 86. AMD, we are testing around this 260. If sellers can keep buyers underneath 260, we do have room to pull our way back down. 258, possibly down to 256. But overall right now, we do have a lot of more selling pressure than we have buying pressure. So VIX is starting to move its way back on us. So VIX is a little bit stronger than SPY right now at this moment, because VIX is right back above $16. So VIX is showing a little bit more strength than SPY right now at this moment. So VIX is a lot more powerful right now than SPY. Just let you guys know, VIX is a lot more stronger than SPY. So we have a lot more shorters / sellers than buyers. So be mindful of that. So VIX is holding up still pretty well, right above, trying to hold above 16. If they can hold 16, you already know, up to 1650, up to 17. So right now, a lot of selling pressure at this moment, guys. A lot of selling pressure. Just be mindful of that. So starting off at the beginning of the market, there's a lot of selling pressure versus buying pressure. Selling pressure versus buying pressure. And I know a lot of people hit me up. Okay, hello, where did it come from? Well, Primo alerted me, Nadia, on OKLO. Primo alerted me on OKLO, because I'm guessing that he's trading it or he's in that trade, and I'm thinking that he's leaning towards the long side than the downside. But right now, we have a lot more sellers versus buyers right now, trying to fight at that 88. So remember, guys, 88 is crucial. Buyers, you need to hold above 88. Sellers, you need to go underneath 88. Keep that in mind. Guys, let me run to the restroom real quick back, because I know starting off, man, I had a lot of water. Let me run to the restroom real quick. I'll be right back. If y'all have any questions of concern, feel free to reach out to my mods. Right now, everything is still looking weak. Everything is still downtrending. SPY is downtrending. AMD is downtrending. We have OKLO somewhat downtrending. We have somewhat of a bear flag on OKLO. Look like VIX is holding up a lot stronger than SPY. So a lot more sellers than buyers. But guys, I'll be right back. Give me just a few minutes. I'll be right back. Thank you so much. Appreciate you. All right, guys, we back. So right now, look like OKLO is holding up six. It's holding up 88. Still holding up 88 at this time. AMD is holding up above 260 at this time. So we're definitely keeping our eyes peeled on these setups right now. As far as SPY, we are staying above that 686, almost 687. Let's see, can we get that push back to the upside? Don't forget, guys, we do have data coming out in about 17 minutes. 17 minutes. Let's see what type of impact it's gonna have on the market. Right now, AMD, like I told you, that's where majority of the buyers or majority of traders are looking at AMD. Keep your eyes peeled on AMD right now. AMD is still the top gainer out of the blue chip companies. AMD. Watch your AMD. Watch your AMD. Don't take your eyes off of AMD. AMD still has a lot of eyes on that play. Let me see. What price point do we need to get back above those? AMD, we need to get back above 261 to 262 level. Where we at right now? We are above 262. So right now, it looks like we're still holding up pretty decent. And I'm going to show you my 1 hour chart, guys, on what I'm seeing at this moment. Let me bring my 1 hour chart over so y'all can see what I'm seeing at this moment on AMD. So as far as AMD, guys, setup so far as Friday, I know we are testing this trend line right here. We need to stay above that 262 for that push back up to the upside, because we are hitting this trend line. So we definitely want to get that push and hold, because we are still on this bullish rally at this time. So far, based off of my 1 hour time frame on RSI, we are getting overbought. So I mean, do be mindful of that. We are getting overbought. Long of a shadow, holding up right around this 261.69. That was the last high of day. So just keep your eyes peeled on that. Keep your eyes peeled on that. We are hitting this trend line. We are underneath the 200-day. Oh, I'm looking at the wrong thing. Let me go to AMD. My fault. On the 5 minute. Let's see. And even on the 5 minute on AMD, we still holding this uptrend. Pushing up towards these highs. Look like towards 264 to 263.50 of the 264, which it looked like it's still uptrending. Still uptrending at this time. I mean, we're definitely getting overbought. I mean, based off my RSI on my 1 hour, we're definitely getting overbought. We're still pushing. Just be mindful though. I'm just letting you guys know. Definitely be mindful, AMD. We're definitely getting overbought. We're definitely pushing up towards this level of what is this? 265 level. So be mindful of that, around 265. Again, look at my RSI on my 1 hour. We are definitely getting overbought. So I'm just letting you guys know ahead of time. We're definitely getting overbought. We're still pushing though. But you know, let's see how much room is left in the tank to keep pushing towards the upside. Let me take a quick look at SPY real quick too. Oops, that's Tesla. So how's Tesla looking? Tesla, still on this downtrend with Tesla. Let me see what SPY is doing. I know I got a few SPY traders too. SPY at this time, I mean, look like it's. I mean, we have these bottoms right around this 686. I mean, the way this SPY is setting up. I mean, it looked like we could. I mean, I'm just being honest, based off my 1 hour. After we do come out of this pullback, I mean, it does look like he has room to push back to the upside the way the SPY is setting up. I mean, it does look like that from 686 back to the upside. I mean, it does look like long as 686 holds. I mean, you do have room to push your way back up, but we definitely want to get that break back above 268 to 690, because we got to get above that 200-day moving average. Because you can see right here clearly on my 1 hour time frame. You fell underneath the 200-day moving average, and you push your way back up to the 200-day moving average. And we are in a crucial level, crucial area right now. But in order for us to get that movement back up to the upside, we definitely want to get back above 686, 690, where we can cross our way back up and go for that continuation uptrend to the upside. So I mean, y'all can clearly see this on this 1 hour time frame. You can clearly see this. So we got to get above that 200-day moving average. So we want to get that strong bullish push to the upside. But right now you're underneath the 200-day moving average, which is pulling you back down from 680, 688 back down towards the possible 686. Back down to these, but you see right here where we had this strong bounce at, that was around 686, and we got that move back up to the upside. We tested that 200-day moving average. We ran up as high as 685, and then 695. And it came right back on down. But look right where that 200-day moving average is sitting at. See, you're underneath it. So anytime you're underneath that, that's bearish. Anytime you're above it, it's bullish. So right now we are pulling back on down. Look very carefully at my 200-day moving average, and look very carefully at my 1 hour time frame. Look very carefully. So look right here. I'm just trying to show you things in real time, guys. You're underneath the 200-day moving average, right? So everything underneath is holding up as resistance. Hold up as resistance. 690s, 688s. So what we need is that strong push back to the upside to go for that reversal. If they can go for that strong push, we can start to create somewhat of an uptrend going into next week. So 686 for sure. Hold that floor for that push back up. But right now we have an upper shadow. You can clearly see on my 1 hour time frame we have an upper shadow. And again, I'm just showing you guys in real time. I'm not making up anything. You have an upper shadow. You're underneath the 200-day moving average. Right underneath 688, and sellers are trying to pull back down this way. You can clearly see what they're trying to do. You see what sellers are trying to do. Sellers are trying to pull back down this way. That's why we need that break back above 688 to 690 to reverse the play back to the upside and give us a fighting chance to for longs. But right now, shorts have it. I'm just gonna be honest. Shorts have it. Look at this. Shorts have it at this time. There's nothing. There's nothing you can do. You can't say nothing about it. Shorts have it. Upper shadow, possible, a little downtrend setup. So it's showing a little bit more weakness than strength. A little bit more weakness than strength at this time. So again, I'm just gonna be on 110% honest with you guys. I'm never gonna lie to you guys or try to steer you in the wrong direction. I'm gonna try to do the best that I can to steer you in the right direction. So you can see that pre-markets we hit around 690s. We came underneath 690s. Now you falling right underneath the 200-day moving average, pulling back down this way, 688, and you can see an upper shadow pulling back down this way. So right now, sellers have it at this time. I'm not saying that we can't transition, but right now, I'm just speaking right now, at this moment, sellers have it. You have a downtrend setup at this time, so you have to respect that. Thank you, Jay, man. Okay, got you, boss. Anything to help, boss. Anything I can do. Let me go to the OKLO on my 1 hour. Let me see how we look on the 1 hour, boss. I got you. So right now, as far as the 1 hour, you definitely have a bearish setup. We are starting to get overbought. Oversold. We are getting oversold. So we definitely want buyers to hold above that 88. You do have some buying pressure coming on in. Where it look like a lower shadow at 88. So it looks like 88 is key. So if 88 can hold, we could definitely reverse our way back up towards the upside. We could see a possible red to green move. It's just that 688. So, I keep saying 6. I'm thinking about spot. Sorry, 88. So if 88 can hold, if buyers can stop these sellers from taking out this 88 level. What time it is right now? We got about 9 minutes until we close out this candle. If those buys can stay above 88, we do have room to possibly transition back up towards the upside to see some possible red to green move. You are oversold. You're definitely oversold on the 1 hour. You're definitely oversold. Now he's making me think about OKLO. I ain't gonna lie to you, because it is. I'm saying it is oversold. It's the God's honest truth. Based off the 1 hour time frame and the RSI, you're definitely oversold. Well, buyers can definitely take advantage around this key area here. Well, buyers can buy their way, push their way back up to 88. We can see a possible red to green. If they can get back above 88, if they get this candle close above 88, buyers got the opportunity. But right now we underneath the 88. We're still getting a strong pullback underneath that level. We got about 8 minutes left. If buyers can push their way back up to 88, that'll create a lower shadow, because that means that'll be pullback failure, where they can trap sellers for that move back up to the upside, basically back up towards 90. Because you can see where your lows is at from yesterday's, around 90. You can see where the lows are located at. We see this clear as day. You do have these bottoms at 86, but it is definitely oversold, man. So I'm kind of in with Primo on that one. OKLO getting oversold. I do see that. You got me thinking about OKLO though. I ain't gonna lie to you. You got me thinking about OKLO though. Yeah, let me see, cause it is getting oversold. Oversold for possible bounce back up. It's the God's honest truth. I can't argue with him on that one. Let me see. I gotta get the contracts. Let me see. I can't argue with them. And with the chart is telling us on KLO. But we gotta get back to see. But you see what I mean? Is you have a strong engulfing, and as I told you guys from this morning, you have an engulfing red candle. You have an engulfing bearish flag. It's engulfing. I mean, look at this. Sellers are still pulling back underneath 88. Now trying to pull back down this way. So buyers have yet to step in on OKLO at this moment. Now you're at 88, pulling back down to the 87s. It's the only thing. Good morning, guys. Health allowed me to trade a little bit today, man. Tariq, I'm glad that everything is going, man. And I'm gonna keep you in prayer, boss. And I wish you nothing but great health, man. And thank you so much for everything that you do for me, that you do for the community. As far as the Discord, because I know half the time, and the guys, I do apologize to you guys that I'm battling on Discord, man, because I'm juggling so many things, guys. You got to keep in mind, man. I got to help people with one-on-ones. I got to help people with patrons. I mean, I'm all over the place, but I thank God that I have somebody like Tariq and the other traders that that'll keep Discord up and running, man. Appreciate you, boss. Appreciate you. All right, down to 687. SPY is still at 686. Cause like I told y'all, the main thing that we want to get back above is 688. 688 on SPY for sure. To reverse this play completely. I know there's a lot going on. I know. Don't forget, we have data coming out at 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock data. We'll see where we go from here. So for SPY, you want to get it back above 688 for sure. Get back above 688 for that nice reversal. You got the bottoms that held at 686. Slowly trying to reverse. So somewhat of a double bottom trying to flip his way back up to the upside. So we know where the tops are located at. It's around at 690, 691. We know where the tops are located. I mean, guys, look again. Go back to yesterday's rotation. 686, 691. Just take this. Just take this range and go into Friday's range. That's it. That's about the easiest way I can put it. Take yesterday's range into Friday's range. Today's range. Tops and bottoms. All the way back down towards 686. OKLO, I know we still fighting. I know, because like I said, the main area I want to see us get back above is 88. Because like I said, we can get back above 88. I mean, I'm in the 110% with Primo back up to the upside. If Boss get back above 88, we want to definitely get that reversal back to the upside on this bad boy. Come out of this little bad flag pattern or this little sell-off, right back, transition into a buying opportunity. So let me see, what did we hold? Right around, 87. 87, we'll get back above 88 and get that reversal back to the upside. Because, I mean, look where your VWAP is at. VWAP is all the way up here. And you got to keep in mind, guys, when you are trading, always focus on your, no matter, and I'm going to tell you right here, Tariq, I love you to death. Tariq, Nadia, Ingrid, whoever's watching, you got to take that VWAP into consideration because it acts like a magnet. Just like with OKLO, your VWAP is all the way up towards 88.50 plus or 88.60, where we can pull back up to it like a like a magnet. Right now we are getting overextended on the downside, which is oversold. So I do expect buyers to start to move back in on OKLO. Once these sellers get out, I do expect buyers to move back in. I ain't gonna lie to you, because we are getting oversold on OKLO. I do expect that. AMD, we're still fighting around 260. Watch 260. Watch 260s. 260 still gonna be key. And Nadia, like I said, your top gainer right now is AMD. I mean, it's the truth, AMD. So as long as you hold 260, watch 260. As long as buyers can hold 260, we have the room to push our way back up towards these high days. 265, 266. Where we can reverse on AMD. AMD has volatility. Don't count it out. You look right here. You came down as low as what was this? As low as 258. I mean, look right here. Upper shadow. Lower shadow. Trying to push our way back on up where we could get out that continuation towards the upside. So, I mean, don't count it out. Even though it's choppy. I mean, look at the levels that's still holding. And look at the pattern that's still holding on AMD. Don't count it out. I know right now, guys, it's choppy. It's choppy as crap. I mean, with SPY, you're holding above 688. That's the main thing that you want to hold is 688. Because, I mean, look right here. 688, you held 688, you got that push right back up to what? Towards 691s. So again, don't count these plays out. It all depends on what you're looking at. Don't call these plays out. Just understand your patterns. Notice where your VWAP is at. We know that buyers are holding these bottoms, trying to reverse their way back up because we are still in this same exact range. We're still in this range of these bottoms of 686, right? Still on these bottoms from yesterday, pre-market, intraday, with all these tops all the way back up towards 691. So don't overthink it, man. Don't overthink these plays. Be careful. Just take your time. Take your time. Today is Friday, man. The last trade of the week. Don't overcomplicate nothing. It depends on what you're trading. And I'm gonna tell you right now, a thing that'll mess a lot of traders up. Stop hopping from stock to stock to stock. Stop doing that shit. Stop going from this stock, that stock, this stock, that stock, this stock. Every stock has a personality. You can't understand it if you hop from stock to stock to stock to stock to stock. Whatever stock that you know that you make majority of your money on, especially when you're in the blue chip range. Okay, I'll put it to you like this, guys. When you're dealing with blue chip stocks, these stocks ain't going nowhere. Versus penny stocks. We know with penny stocks, they can go bankrupt. We know that it can go from buyers to sellers real quick. When you're dealing with blue chip stocks, guys, these companies ain't going nowhere. You can trade the upside and you can trade the downside because we know that people use these companies on an everyday basis. Tesla, Apple, Amazon, Nvidia, Microsoft, hell, Meta, which is tied into what? Facebook, right? Everybody uses Meta on an everyday basis. So we know that these companies not going nowhere. So focus on a stock that puts money in your pockets and focus on a personality and understand and again, understand the rotation. I just set you guys up a nice rotation for SPY. Bottoms, 866, right? Tops, right around 691. We still in this range from yesterday into today. So you can go from these bottoms possibly back up towards these tops. Guys, come on, man. Don't make it don't make it complicated. Just don't make it complicated. Take your time. Don't hop from stocks. Don't stock hop. Stick to stocks you know that's beneficial to you. Everybody's different. Like the way Primo trades is different. The way I trade is different. The way everybody else trades is different. You don't have to do what we're doing. But the fact is, the reason why we trade what we trade is because we understand the stocks and the way they move. We understand the personalities to them. Think about it. I'm so used to Primo, I know half of the stocks that he trades. If you're not trading SPY, he's trading PLTR. If he's not trading PLTR, he's trading, like he brought up OKLO. OKLO is a good beneficial stock because, again, once you get back above 88, there's a lot of room to the upside, back up towards these tops. Because look where you fell from. Look where the sellers came in at. Right around, 92s, back on down. You got room to push your way back on up, but it's all about patience. It's all about patience. Let it set up. Take your time. The market doesn't give a damn about your feelings, nor my feelings. But you gotta trade on what the market is presenting you. If it's telling you what it's doing, trade that shit. I mean, guys, all right, let's go back. I mean, again, from yesterday's rotation to today's rotation, all we did was hold the same exact bottoms from yesterday's and the same exact tops from yesterday's. From bottoms to tops. Guys, come on, man. It's not hard at all. We in the same exact range from yesterday going into today. Bottoms, 686. You can see right here where you bounced at. It ran all the way up to. You see the range. We are in the same exact range. All we're doing is now rotating from bottoms to tops. Guys, it's not hard. Don't make stock trading complicated. Don't do that. Don't do that. Make it fun, man. Have fun with it. Enjoy yourself, man. Don't make it complicated. We see the rotations from bottoms to possible tops. We know we got room to run up towards 690. We know that. From these bottoms, 686, around 690, that's a $4 move back to the upside. How can you complain about that? That's $4 up. It's $4 up. Look at your buyers. Green candle, green candle, green candle. Now you're going on a bullish moving back to the upside on SPY. You gotta pay close attention to the details, man. Don't overcomplicate shit. Don't do that. Stop hopping from stock to stock to stock. You're gonna mess yourself up like that. I'm telling you. You talking to somebody who learned from that crap. I used to hop from this stock to that stock to this stock. Stop that. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Look at the opportunities you would have had on SPY from the bottoms to the top, back to the tops, off of a simple rotation that held. 686, back on up. Same bottoms from yesterday. Stop doing that shit. Stop overcomplicating stuff. Stop it. Stop it. OKLO, you're back above 88. with room to run up towards 90 to 92. Stop overcomplicating things. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. I'm here to help you quit that shit. Stop, man. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Pay close attention to your rotations. From yesterday into today, same bottoms, same tops, because you haven't broken above that price point where you can run up to it. That's going to be an area because buyers need to break that in order to get upside. Stop overcomplicating things. Simple setups that's right in front of you, but you overcomplicate shit. Stop it. I love you guys enough to tell you guys the truth. Other traders ain't going to tell you these things. They're going to make profit off of you. Invest in my course. I want you, in order for you to do what I'm doing. Just stop. Notice the rotation from the bottoms of these bottoms on SPY for the rotation back up to the top. It's that easy, man. Stop overcomplicating shit. Stop, man. You going from sellers to buyers back to the tops. Green candle, from bottoms to tops. Stop overcomplicating things. Primo called out OKLO. We know the rotations to this. We know what price points we need to get back up if we want to continue the upside back up to the upside. Stop overcomplicating things. It's not hard. Go by what the market is telling you. You go off of psychological levels. Again, what do I always tell you guys? The market is 90% psychology, right? 10% strategy. What is the psychology right now? From yesterday's setup or range movement to today's setup range movement. It's the same exact thing. It's the same exact thing. All you do is record this movement, yesterday's movement, movement from bottom to tops. The same exact thing. Stop overcomplicating things. Stop, man. Take yesterday's range, tops and bottoms, into today's range, tops and bottoms. Stop it, man, with the overcomplicating shit. But what messes you up is when you hop from stock to stock to stock to stock to stock. Stop. Whatever stock is helping put money in your pockets, stick to that. Especially when you're dealing with blue chip companies. You know blue chip companies not going nowhere. You know this. Penny stocks, they have more to deal with bankruptcies. They have more to deal with short-term situations because they don't hold, because they're not reliable. Versus blue chip companies that are reliable, because people depend on these companies every single day. Think about it, guys. Amazon, people buy. Meta, people get on it every damn day. Tesla, people buy vehicles. Meta's still tied in Facebook. Nvidia, we know this stuff. These blue chip companies that runs every single day. Blue chips. Notice what I'm just saying. Notice the keywords that are coming out of my mouth. Blue chips and penny stocks. Penny stocks is not reliable. Those companies can go bankrupt. Blue chips is more reliable because people depend on those companies every single day. Tesla, Apple, Nvidia, Microsoft, Meta. People depend on this every day. Those companies ain't going nowhere. So you know you can trade these on an everyday basis, whether it's on the upside or downside. Come on now. Come on now. Think about it. The blue chip companies, all they do is rotate. Back and forth. Back and forth. They ain't going nowhere. They not bankrupt. They ain't filing for bankruptcy. Those companies are reliable. Everybody uses every day. Amazon, Apple, Tesla, Nvidia, Microsoft, Meta. Think about it, guys. Come on, man. Come on. Think with me. Think with me. Think with me, baby. And look at this. What I told you guys. Austin, AMD. What I told you, AMD. What I told you where majority value was located. You hold 160, back up towards those. Man, I mean, y'all don't want to hear me, man. They don't want to hear us, boss. They don't want to hear us. They don't hear nothing we got to say. We tell them, we preach about this every single day on how to prepare themselves. Boss, they don't want to hear us. They don't want to hear us. I swear they don't. They don't want to hear us. We talk about the same exact companies every single day. It's the same exact shit every day. Every single day. Think about it, guys. As many people that come on my live stream, when have I veered away from SPY? When have I veered away from Tesla, Apple, and blue chips? I'm always talking about the same exact companies every single day. They don't want to hear us, man. I mean, but Chubb, you know this. I mean, but no, Chubb, I know you hear me, but you know how to trade it, and which is why I give you props too. You a go, because you traded same exact companies that you know you can benefit on an up, whether we go up or whether we go down, but you know how to trade it because you understand the personality of it, right? Same thing with Tariq. Shout out to my guy Tariq who's a go. He talks about IWM every single day because he understands the personality. You don't hear Tariq talking about this company, that company, this company, that company, this company. Tariq talks about this, and I go through Tariq's and I read his Discord. Even though I know I'm not on it all the time, I'm reading it. Tariq talks about the same companies every single day. He talks about SPY. He talks about IWM. He talks about the same exact company that put money in his pockets. He never steers away from it and makes money off of it. Tariq, let him know, boss. You talk about the same thing every day. IWM. You talk about IWM whether it's up or whether it's down, but you never steer away from the company that put money in your pockets. But you got all these other traders who get so caught up in the hype. Oh, I'm going to trade this stock. Oh, I'm going to trade this stock. Oh, I'm going to trade this stock. I'm going to trade. Guys, if you're in the blue chip range or in the ETF range, you know all SPY does, whether it's whatever companies around it, Tesla, Apple, Amazon, Nvidia, Microsoft, Meta, whatever company. Guys, those companies are not going nowhere. Those companies are reliable. People use these companies on an everyday basis. Again, this is my last time repeating this. Tesla, Apple, Amazon, Microsoft, Meta, Nvidia, same companies that repeats itself every single day. All they do is rotate either up or rotate either down. And it's still a money-making opportunity. Same as that companies. When the hell did you see me jump from blue chips now to penny stocks? From penny stocks to this company. Yeah, you guys been on my live long enough to know that I talk about the same exact companies every single day. Every single day. For money-making opportunities. The only thing that I change up is the pattern. Downtrend, uptrend, whatever the case may be, but I always set you guys up for profitable opportunities. And again, the reason why I'm talking the way I'm talking is because I love you guys to tell you guys the truth. You're going to surround yourself with certain traders that's not going to get, and I'm just going to be honest, man. And I'm going to be honest with you 110%. You're going to have a lot of traders that don't give a shit about you. It's reality. They don't care about you. They care about what you can do for them because you're buying their course. They're making money off of you because even if they don't trade, they're still making money off of your subscriptions. They're still making money off of the things because of your beliefs in them. They don't even have to trade for shit because they're making money off of YouTube, advertisements. They're making money off of subscriptions, regardless of the fact. If they don't trade, they still making the money off of you. So it's almost like they made a trade, if you think about it, because you invested into them. So what I'm saying is, I am a guy. I'm by myself. I'm giving you as much knowledge as all these other traders to help us put money in your pockets as much as possible. Me, Tariq, Chubb, Primo, AK-47, shout out to my guy I love to death. Hardware and a lot of these other guys to help you guys the best that we can. But it's up to you. You got to pull the trigger. And another thing that you have to deal with, and again, is reality. Your account may not be the size of these other guys' accounts. Again, Hardware, Primo, Oracle, and all these other guys, their accounts may be bigger than yours, where they don't even have to trade every day. They can just wait and wait. Versus on what you're doing, you're trying to desperately trade because you're trying to get your account to grow. You know, guys, you gotta think about reality type things, man. Everybody's different. Everybody's account is different. Everybody trades differently. My trade might be different from your trade. You know, from hardware and Tariq and Oracle and all these other guys who have way bigger accounts. But the fact is, the reason why they have big accounts, you know, is because they learn from their mistakes. Again, shout out to Tariq and everybody else. We had to go through downfalls. We had to learn from our mistakes. We started from somewhere. We wasn't born with this knowledge. We didn't come out of the womb knowing this stuff. We had to learn from our mistakes. And what we're trying to do, and patiently trying to do, is try to put you in a position where you can avoid the mistakes that we made. That's all we're trying to do. That's why I give props to Tariq. I give props to Oracle. I give props to a lot of these guys who are trying their hardest to give you guys free content, not charge you a dime, to put you guys on the right path so you can build your own path. You can build your own way, because everybody's path is different. My path is different from Tariq. Tariq's path is different from every other trader who looks up to him. Again, you got to understand, guys, I know Tariq. Me and Tariq, we came up together. I knew Tariq's downfall. I know his successes, and I'm so proud of my guy. I love my guy to death, and I'm loving a way because no matter what he's going through, and again, shout out to my guy Tariq, whether he's going through some type of health situation or whether he's going through, you know, a financial situation or whatever the case may be, he always finds his time to break down things to you guys, because he doesn't want you to make the same mistakes he's made. He don't want you to make the same mistakes I made. As us guys, a lot of you guys look at us as boring. But, and again, from Twitch to Kick, guys, you have to take this into consideration. I'm saying this from the bottom of my heart, is that, guys, we're putting out free content to you people because we're trying to help change you guys' lives for the better. We are. When you're going onto these other people's platforms, video games and all this, that's not putting money in your pocket. You're watching these guys for free. You're putting money into these guys' pockets. Subscriptions and everything else. They're benefiting off of you. What are you benefiting from? Think about it. I know a lot of stubborn people, and I already know how the stream industry works. I already know. Because there's going to be a lot of stubborn ass people that's going to come on to the stream. Oh man, I got money. I can put money towards whatever. I don't care. That ain't the point. We talking about people that struggles on an everyday basis. Rent, car notes, car insurances, health insurances. All we trying to do is help people get, try to help them create a stepping stone to better themselves. That's all we're trying to do. Again, shout out to Tariq. Shout out to Oracle. Shout out to Hardware. Shout out to Primo, to the guys. Y'all don't realize the people that's trying to help you, man. And y'all take this shit for granted every single day. And it's ridiculous. And that's why half the time and then again, I don't say this to be mean. That's why half the time I'm on Discord. Because I'll put out, and I'll show y'all. Matter of fact, I'll show y'all my proof. That even though I'm bad on Discord, I'm still on Discord. Let me pause that. My bad. I'll show y'all that I still post, but people don't pay attention to what I post. That's why half the time I don't even put all my energy towards it. So if I go to my Discord right now, right? I go to my own Discord, and I go to stock related. Well, not stock related. I go to news. All right. This morning, I post the news. Economics. I post economics. Earnings. I post earnings. And recaps. If you have missed my live stream. But a lot of you guys don't pay attention to the things that I put. That's why I really don't pay attention to Discord. I'm just going to be 110% honest. That's why I'm really paying attention to it. Because I do put in work. I do focus on y'all. I do notice y'all. But y'all don't notice me. And it's cool. It's cool. And that's why, when Tariq posts stuff on Discord, I don't get jealous behind him. I'm glad that I have somebody helping me. Shout out to Tariq for doing a job well done. For alerting things, putting the things up. But what kind of gets to me is even when he posts things, you guys don't even pay attention to the things he puts. Y'all don't even notice things he's put. Y'all don't notice things that Oracle puts. Y'all don't notice the things that Lucky, Hardware, Primo, a lot of these guys put. Y'all don't pay attention. Because a lot of people, because us as humans, we're selfish. A lot of us are narcissists, but we don't even admit to it because we're embarrassed by it. Hell, I was a narcissist at one point. I can admit that shit. I'm man enough to admit my mistakes. It was all about me. I didn't give a damn about nobody else's opinion. It was always me. I'm right. Everybody else's opinion is wrong. Guys, a lot of us are like this, man. But it's up to us. It's up to us as men and women to just take accountability for our own actions. Fuck social media. I mean, excuse my language, but fuck social media, man. Stop posting bullshit or putting up a fake illusion on what you want people to perceive of you, what you know you really are in real life behind the scenes, man. At least I know I'm honest in front of you guys on and off camera. At least I'm honest about it. I told you guys I was a narcissist. I told you guys I make mistakes. But I'm man enough to take accountability for my own actions to tell you guys face to face, man. You know, I'm not perfect on everything. I'm not perfect on trades. I'm not perfect on calling out things, but I do the best that I can to help you guys. If I didn't give I'll put it like this. If I didn't give a shit about you guys on YouTube, Twitch, Kick, or whatever the case, or whatever platform is holding up, I would tell you anything you want to hear. I will feed you nothing but bullshit. Just so you can feed it to my illusion and feed my account or feed my funding. Man, subscribe to me, man. I'll give you the best advice. I'll do this. I'll give y'all the best advice live stream whenever I can, man. I'll be 110% honest with you guys. But again, I don't think that I don't take notice on my Discord when I'm posting things to see on how many people react to what I post. And I post on Discord, but I notice a lot of people don't pay attention to it. That's why I barely post on it. And that's the God's honest truth. And again, I'm being 100% honest with you. That's why I barely post on it. Because I do post, but you guys don't pay attention to it. And it don't hurt my feelings. I still post, though, to show you guys I still care about y'all. But it's up to y'all to just take a look at it. Take a few seconds out of y'all life to go into my Discord and go to the different little channels I have set up. News, economics, just to help you guys better yourselves, man. Nadia, and Queen, right now, what I told you, 688. I told you the range. See what I mean? And I understand you saying spy, please. And again, I'm not doing this to knock you. And I love you so much, Queen. Love you to death. You saying spy, please. But how long have I been alerting spy? How long have I been learning? I put lines, and people still don't notice my lines I put. Like, that's how much I know people don't pay attention to me. Like, I put lines up, literally, to show the ranges, to show opportunities. And people still don't pay attention to me. You see what I mean? People attentions, they're short. I don't post lines just to make it look pretty. I post lines to help people. I post lines to show people the ranges. I post lines to show people the buying opportunities versus the selling opportunities, to show the rotations, and nobody gives a damn on what I post. Like, they don't give a shit on what I put. I mean, think about it. I go to a 5-minute time frame. What do I put to help people? No. Queen, I'm not talking about you. No, Nadia, I know you do. Queen, I love you to death. Shout out to Nadia. No, Queen, not you. Love you to death. No, not you. I'm just saying. But y'all notice, I post trend lines. I post ranges. I mean, what else can I do? Like they do. Boss, all they do is sleep on me. And then no, Chubb, that's 110%. Chubb, you one of my witnesses. Nadia, Tariq, y'all my day one supporters, and I love y'all to death. Shout out to y'all. How many people are taking note on the things that I post? Trend lines. I mean, channels. I mean, I give them everything. What else can I do? I don't know what else to do. I mean, by posting these lines, they're giving you opportunities for entries. There's giving you, if you're going long, there's giving you opportunities for exits, because you know where to go from this point to that. It's like, no matter what I post, they don't even pay attention to nothing I say. I swear they don't. They don't listen to nothing I say. That's why, again, I mean, think about it. If you go to my Discord, I post my recaps. You go to my news, I update news. I go to my economics. I got economics for you guys to pay attention to. You know, I didn't post the new one. But I try to give everybody the utmost respect. I try to help out people as much as I can, but they don't pay attention to me. I mean, if I go to my general, if I go to my right to my general, I mean, shout out to my boy Tyreek. Tyreek, and I'm gonna show you love right now. And to show you I care about you. I give a damn about you, and even though nobody else ain't paying attention to what you saying, I care about you. I post up live streams. I post out economics from you know the statistics, from actuals, you know, forecasts to give people headshots who like this one. Shout out to my guy T. Love you, T. Shout out to you, boss. I post out drawings. I mean, come on, man. I post out live streams. I post out, I post out news. I mean, nobody pays attention to what I post. Nobody listen to what I... No. And Tariq, and that's why I love you. That's why again, as much as you post more than I do on my Discord, boss, when have I ever posted hate? Think about it. Other people that would envy that, and I'm just being honest, Tariq, people that would envy you going on somebody else's Discord, they would envy that. They would either block you or just try to hate. Boss, when have you ever seen me hate on you? Ever. And you go on my Discord, my platform that I created, and you never see the hate from me. I'm always giving you love. I'm always giving you support because, again, I thank you for doing things that I may not do. And the only reason why I don't be on Discord half the time because I'm multitasking. I'm doing... Nadia, thank you so much, Queen. Thank you so much. Love you, Queen. No, but what I'm saying is, and I thank you. No, Tariq, I want to give you your flowers because even though I'm not on Discord a lot, I thank you. And the reason why, guys, for those who are on my Discord asking why I don't post, I'm multitasking. I have to do one-on-ones. I have to do live streams. I have to do a lot of things. You know, it's not just me waiting on Discord to post up. Man, I'm doing multiple things. And then on top of that, I'm a father. I gotta take care of my kids. It's a lot of things that I do that I don't share behind the scenes. And again, I don't post lines. Think about it. If y'all would have listened to me this morning, look at this. Bottoms at 86, you would have been banking on up. Towards the upside, reversing. Look at this. Playing the uptrend or playing the rotate. Nobody listen to nothing I say. I post up trend lines. I post up channels, everything to help everybody and again, I'll see Nadia, Tariq, Chubb, all you guys that do listen to me. I think, and that's why I love y'all. I thank y'all so much. I'm talking about to all these other people I try to help. They don't listen to me, man. They don't listen to nothing I gotta say. Look how much money they would have been making. But yet, they go on everybody else's live streams, right? To these RL streamers, to these gamer streamers that don't put money in their pockets. But you're paying for their subscriptions, right? Because you want to show this your support, which is nothing's wrong with that. But again, even though you're doing that, how is that benefiting you? I'm doing everything that I can to make sure you benefit from you supporting me by watching my live streams, watching my trades, watching my breakdowns, watching my patterns, watching everything that I can to put money in your pockets. If you want to donate, thank you. I'm not forcing you to donate, but that's money that can go in your favor, where you can help not only yourself, your family, your friends, and whoever else. It's like it's only so much you can do, man. But again, Nadia, Tariq, Chubb, Aussie, that's why I love you guys. That's why I keep going. Instead of giving up and just say bump it, I do this for y'all, man. I mean, think about it. I mean, look how much people would have been benefiting just paying close attention to things that I post. Ranges, patterns. I mean... There's only so much you can do, man. I mean, I'm human. I'm one person, man. I'm one person. And I thank God for you. And I thank God for you guys that help me. It goes a long ways, man. I thank y'all for posting extra things or bringing up things. I thank y'all, man. That's why I got to give y'all flowers real quick, man. I thank y'all. And I'm going to do it right now. So, shout out to Tariq, Aussie, Nadia, Chubb, Lucky. Man, I thank y'all, man. Thank y'all for pushing me to keep doing what I'm doing. So, W to my stream, W to the chats, W to my mods, And that's why I'm always giving y'all love. And Nadia, I know you just tipped me. Thank you so much for the super chat. I appreciate you, Queen. Appreciate you. But I do the best that I can. I'm a human trying to do what I can, man. There's only so much I can do. I'm exhausted. I'm exhausted. Cause y'all gotta think about it. And and for those who do subscribe to me, and y'all only see me now Monday, Wednesdays, Fridays, y'all gotta think about it, man. I gotta do one-on-ones, man. I gotta do one-on-ones Tuesdays and Thursdays because you got some traders that may not want to do live streams with me. And appreciate, no, Chubb, no, seriously, God bless you, brother. Thank you so much because, and I'm going to tell you why, and again, it's not to be sentimental or soft. Y'all don't realize that y'all saved my life. And I'm being honest. Nadia, Queen, love you. Thank you so much for always having my back because you always been my day one too as well. But I'm just telling you guys, and I'm being 110% honest with you guys, y'all don't know how much y'all saved my life. And again, just being honest, it was times when I went through things in my personal life, and I'm just being 110% honest with you guys. I contemplated depression. Well, I said contemplate depression. I went through depression. But I didn't contemplate the S word. I'm not saying it because I know YouTube is sensitive. And it was a lot of things that I went through in my personal life that I didn't share with you guys. But it was because of you guys that kept me going. Y'all gave me a reason to live. Y'all gave me a reason to keep pushing it, besides my kids. And that's why I'm continuously pushing every single day because of you guys. Thank y'all so much for bringing the best out of me. Because again, as I tell you guys every single day, it's no JTraedz without y'all. Because I'm not one of these inconsiderate people that's cocky and they only think about themselves to be, I'm above everybody else. No, hell no. I ain't above nobody. That's why I said every single time I always give you guys recognition, even before I get off my live. I say thank you. It's no JTraedz without you guys because it's the truth. It wouldn't be JTraedz if it wasn't for you guys because I wouldn't really have no reason to push. So thank you guys on all platforms, Twitch, YouTube, Kick, whatever. Man, that people that may not be supporting me all the way, but are still watching me, man, thank y'all, man. Thank y'all, love y'all, and I wish you guys number the best, but love and support, man. Appreciate you. Thank you. Thank you for saving my life. I thank y'all. Thank you. And my ways is just to break down charts every single day or every single time that I can to help out as best as I can. It's, thank you. Because like I said, I brought up the range for people to buy it at the bottoms. I mean, for people that bought in at the bottoms, I mean, look where you would have been at. It's been slow climb, but you still benefiting. You know what I'm saying? So, it's only so much I can do, man. Only so much. Do what I can. Oh, no. The Chubb, of course, man. All together, we're a best community, man. And that's why I thank, Primo and I thank Hardware because I was going through a tough, and I'm just being honest. I went from one community to another because I was going through some hard times, and some of y'all may know it, some of y'all may not know it. But for the ones who may know it, I went through hard times going from one community. Now I'm going to a new community, and that's why I thank God so much for Primo. I thank God so much for Hardware for putting me into their community where Chubb, I met y'all wonderful people. Nadia, me and Nadia, also we always been day ones. Tyreek, we always been day ones. So y'all know what I'm talking about, but I thank y'all, man. I appreciate y'all. Love y'all, thank y'all, man. Always from the bottom of my heart, appreciate y'all. You know what I mean? And that's why if y'all notice, even with my live streams, I have different scenes where I go from scene to scene, break room and the conference room and all that, because I know what the market is born. Because all y'all doing is looking at charts. That's why I try to hide from different scenes. And you gotta think about this, guys. And I'm just being 110% honest. I designed all this. From a lunchroom lobby, I designed that. I'm putting in hours of work. From what I designed right here, the bottom portion of my live stream to the side portion of my live stream, I designed all this. I don't get nobody to do this for me. I do this. I designed every single thing. Every single thing. And then on top of that, I gotta make sure everything is running. From the alerts, from my the shout outs and everything that I do, the things that I pop up, that when y'all are giving love and support, I design all of this. I do this by myself, man. I do everything by myself. And it's hard work, but I do it. let's go down memory lane. I'll do it real quick right now while the market is still kind of setting up. I'll do it. I don't care. Let me go to it real quick. This right here. I designed this. I gotta put in the work for to make the TV move. Waterfalls. I do this for y'all because I don't want you guys to be bored. I put all this together by myself. This. I put this together to make sure y'all not bored. Shot clocks, scoreboards. I mean, I do everything by myself. But I do this for you guys. Because y'all give me a reason to keep streaming. So I'm just telling you guys thank y'all. So now y'all see what I do. So. My bad, taking it off, my bad. But now y'all see what I do by myself. Yeah, now y'all see what I do by myself because, again, and the reason why, and Chubb, thank you so much, boss. And the reason why I do a lot of this, guys, for those who are new, because I don't want y'all to feel, bored, because I know dealing with the stock market versus, watching people play video games, which is more entertaining. Shout out to all my video game streamers. I love, and I love watching them, as well. All of them, and RS streamers. I know that, being in the field that I'm in, which is stock streaming, is boring because all you see is charts 24/7. That's all you see. There's nothing exciting about it. I know it's not. I mean, the only thing exciting about it is the profit that you make, of course. But it's not exciting as, watching people play video games and rage bait and rage quit and all this other stuff. I try to compete. But again, I'm by myself trying to figure out how can I keep these people entertained without boring the shit out of them. I try to find ways to just, and also, how can I create something for you guys to benefit from it as well? Like Chubb, Nadia, Ingrid, all of you guys who watch me. I mean, I set up things to put money in you guys' pockets. I don't ask for anything. If y'all want to donate or support me, I'm grateful for that. And when y'all do that, do Patrons and all that, what do? I go above and beyond. And that's another thing y'all got to think about. So not only am I uploading or updating my live stream, I got to deal with my members from Patreon. I got to deal with members from Discord. I got to deal with members in all over the place. But I'm by myself going all, from here, this, that, and the third. Because you got to think about it. When I'm uploading all of this stuff, I'm by myself. Twitch, I got to post all the links. YouTube, I got to update everything. Patreon, I got to update everything. Facebook, I got to update. I'm by myself. But I do it for you guys, man. I love you guys, man. I love y'all from the bottom of my heart, man. I mean, again, I wouldn't be here if it wasn't for you guys. I love y'all, man. Y'all know this. Always, man. Always. It's always love and support. Oh, shit. Let me see. Perform and continue. Oh. But, I'm always going to have y'all back. Man, y'all know I got y'all. But, with all that being said, let's just stay focused. We know right now we're still with SPY. We're still on an uptrend. We talked about 686 to 688. Now back on this uptrend. Now back in this ascending triangle pattern. So, we know we're on top of that. I know we talked about OKLO. We are back on top of we are on top of 88. AMD, we are back on top of 260. So I mean, just gotta wait for volatility to set in. Just about being patient. Right now, we still got spots, still pushing the way on up, still looking good, still looking presentable. Let it do its thing. If you bought in at these bottoms, ride that bad boy on up towards the 690s. If you want to take out at 690, cool. If you want to if you want to wait to see if we get that push back up towards, up towards 91 levels, back up towards yesterday's high, school. But, good little area you could take out, could take profits, 690. Nothing wrong with that. You already know every whole number holds up as a natural resistance or support. But at least I put you on game to what levels to watch. I got y'all guys. Come on, man. Come on. I love y'all, man. Let me see what we got on Tesla, because I know Tesla's one of my mains too. How we looking on Tesla? Tesla. Pull it back down. 646. I mean, but even like I said, y'all don't even have to wait on me to do things. I mean, just look at the setups. Once you get your and I'm just trying to show you guys, even through my live streams, we don't have to watch everybody else, man. Like, just understand these levels. Like, understand your patterns. All I did was just take Wednesday's bottoms and match it up to Friday's bottoms. I mean, and all this together, I just put it. But look how easy that is. We don't have to make trading complicated by understanding just ranges and patterns and understand the psychology behind movements. That's it. I mean, don't make it complicated. So, okay, let me ask you guys this, and we'll do this together. All right, Aussie, Nadia, even Chubb. You know, Chubb will love you to death, and I already know you're on top of your shit. For everybody else, okay, pick a ticker. Pick a ticker, we'll go through it. Pick a ticker, we'll go through it. To understand, you know, like, man, what am I doing wrong? And then even with the lessons, guys, what do I do? Let me go over this way. My bad. Let me move over this way. Let me go to my lessons. And what was one of the things that we went over? And one of the things I keep going over, and I'm gonna keep doing it because I want this to soak in your heads every single day. Because again, I go through this as a trader. Let me try to bring it up. Come on. Hurry up. I hate when this thing takes forever. There we go. Breaking Bad method. I designed this for you guys. Because again, I've been through this stuff. Breaking Bad method. What are the things we go through? Wrong mindset. Not having a detailed game plan. Unstable work ethics. Losing trade syndrome. Losing money per trade. Lack of track LOT. And the main ones that we all go through is LOTs. And again, I break these down. And I design this for you guys. It's not for me. It's for you guys. And again, I love y'all. And I'll do it. I don't care. I don't give a shit. I mean, my thing is I want you guys to succeed. And then we go through what? Elite. Environments, levels, entries, and exits. We go through all of this too. We break down everything. What is the environment? The market structures, the context of the market. What is it? Remember I told you guys, we go through 4 states every single day. You just have to identify what it is. Trending state, range state, which is a channel, breakout state, reversal state. Then after that, we go into our levels. What is our levels? Levels are what? Determine price points of support and resistance levels in a market, which is what? A range. Tops, bottoms, of course. And then, of course, you already know what entries and exits are. So everybody knows what that is. Desired price points, a trader chooses to enter a stock, entries, and exit. A desired price point, a trader chooses to exit a stock. So, I mean, it's that simple. It's that simple. I mean, look right here. You reverse, you got right back on top of a trend line. You understand your range. I mean, you understand the psychology. And then even with Fridays, that's another thing. Keep in mind, Fridays is way different from Monday through Thursdays because you have to understand that Fridays is a lot trickier, and the reason why I'm saying that is because you got to think about a lot of people that deal with time decay, contracts expiring, because you got people that may have week out contracts, right? They may have started from Monday and their contracts ended on Fridays. So a lot of things may take place differently on Fridays than what it does on Mondays through Thursdays, because Friday is the last trade of the week, and again, some people may have weekly contracts, which is Monday through Fridays, which we know the last days are on a Friday. We know a lot of contracts expires on Fridays. So, again, a lot of manipulation can occur, is what I'm saying is. You know, with Tesla, you know, normally, we'll get short squeezes because they like to squeeze a lot of shorts out of their position. So, let's take a look at Tesla real quick to see where we at right now. For example, we'll see where we at right now with Tesla. Oh, my bad. Let me go over a little bit. Tesla. I know right now we're downtrending at this moment. So we're pulling back down towards the 445s. But keep in mind, remember, Tesla likes to move by $5 increments. Remember that. So that means you are in the range at this time between 445 to 450 with the mid area of what? 447.50. And if you notice, you are in that range. Notice that. Notice where your bottoms are holding. Notice where your tops are holding. You are in a what? $5 range. And you notice where the interference is occurring is where? 447.50. So once you start to identify yourself with the personality of these stocks, play within it until we either break out or crack down. Because, okay, if you are a Tesla trader, we know we crack 445, then we have to focus on a lower range, right? Because now 445 is turning into resistance and no longer support. So now you got 445 down to the 440s, and where's the mid area of that? 432.50. So again, I know these numbers by heart now. It's so easy to remember. And look at Tesla. Do you think Tesla's over? I still think Tesla can push. I'm not counting that out. I still think Tesla, like I said, and normally on Fridays, Tesla is normally known for going on short squeezes. And look what we're doing. See, it's all about patience. Let the sellers play out, and then let the buyers move back on in, and then boom, where we going from? 445 to what? 450. You can't make this up. You can't make this up. I mean, come on, man. It's just easy. Just again, once you stay locked in on specific stocks that benefit you. Understand the personality of it. I know Tesla. I know SPY. I know how they move. Which is why I'm always alerting you guys. Think about it. You say pattern. 445 held. Now you move up to what? 450. That's what? $5. You break above 450. Now you're in a range of what? 450, 455 with a mid area of what? 442.50. You see where my alert is at, right? 442.50, 450. I already got it set up ahead of time. See what I mean? I planned it early. Trying to find my personal Okay, so what's up? Okay, let me ask you this, boss. Okay, I know you said you're trying to find your personal ticker. Okay, let's start by asking the question: what stock that you dealt with where you benefit the most? It don't matter whether it's a blue chip stock or whether it's a penny stock. What stock have you learned that where you benefited more, that benefited you the most? You know, if it is a blue chip company, what is it? Tesla, Apple, Amazon, Nvidia, Microsoft, Meta, SPY, whatever the case may be. So I had to talk to my primary care. No, Tariq, man, you ain't never got to explain nothing, boss. Don't never say sorry for nothing, man. I know you're going through what you're going through, man. And again, me and the team definitely keeping you in prayer, man. And we wish you nothing but, full recovery to health and so much. Man, we always looking out for the best of you. You know that, man. You ain't got to apologize for nothing, boss. Don't do that. We love you. We thank you for everything you do for us in the community, man. Appreciate you. Ain't no apologies here. You're a part of the team, man. You're part of the family, man. Ain't no apologies. So even with testing, we can see that we are creating a red to green. But you notice how we're not forcing anything. We're slowly understanding what it's doing. We're going red to green. We're going from sellers to buyers. We know the psychological levels. We know 450 is going to be a area that we need to break, and if we can break 450, then you have room to run up to what? 452 to 455, because you're going now into a new range. You're going from this range here, 445, 450. From now, 450 up to what? 455. And if you notice, it's just slowly trying to climb his way, sneaky ass up to 460. We know what it's doing. Slow mover. OKLO, still, we all hold above 88, but still not a lot of volume on that one. AMD, a little bit weak. We got to get back above 265. SPY, we still got a nice little uptrend pattern, trying to go for a little U-shaped pattern. But you notice how, guys, look how quick I'm doing this in seconds. Look how quick I'm just identifying this in seconds. All you got to do is look at the pattern. Look at this. Does it look uptrendish? Nope. Does this look uptrendish? Yes. Does this look uptrendish? Nope. Does this look uptrendish? Yep. And that's it. Look how quick that was. That quick. How quickly I identified that. That's simple. But yeah, Chuck, stick to the ones that help you the most and just play off of it. And I'm gonna work with you. Just name it and we'll work with you. We'll work through it even on my live stream. We'll work together. Even other traders. Chat. Whatever ticket you bring up, let's work with it. It's a Friday. Man, let's take our time to understand different things. Going into next week. SPY, I know we still in the range. Thursday to Friday. Still in the same exact range. We haven't broke out. We haven't cracked down. So notice where your range is at this moment. Don't overcomplicate shit. Notice where you're at right now. Take the areas that we haven't broke and take the areas that we haven't cracked that we in the range. And again, if we want to go long side, we know we got to break this area again to create upside. If you think it's short, we know that we have to crack this area to go down. Guys, it's just so simple, man. I will work with y'all too, especially. Yeah, and then ain't gonna lie, and that too. Thank you for that too, because I want to start specializing in IWM too, because I want to beat you. Ain't gonna lie, I want to have a fun competition with you. I want to start studying IWM too, because I want to beat you, bro. I definitely want to beat you out of fun, because I want to master it. I want to study IWM. I want to beat you, boss. Out of fun, just having fun. I want to master this. I somewhat mastered it, even though I haven't traded as much. But yeah, I just want to have fun, man. It's all about just making money, man. About making money, having fun with each other, being a family, being a team, being a great community, supporting one another. That's all it's about, man. That's all it's about. Just having fun, making money, turning a dream into a career. Where you exactly, boss. Just having fun, man. Tariq, you know what it is, boss. But overall, guys, for everybody else who are working a 9-5, it's all about taking a career and just having fun with it, man. Not making it stressful. There's a lot of people who quit a 9-5 to go into stock trading and then stressed out more stock trading than they did their 9-5. And then it pushed them to the position of, man, I should go back to my 9 to 5. The whole goal is, and look right here with Tesla, I told you. Red to green, baby. Understand the patterns. All I'm doing is reading patterns, guys. You could do the same exact thing. Same thing with SPY. You see where the tops is. You're creating a U shape. You see the transition, red to green. Guys, just identify yourself. Have fun, man. Have fun. And it's not just about looking at the candles. Understanding where the prices is located. I mean, it's not about me looking at the candles. I know where the prices is. 450, duh. And then from 450, 450, 250, up to 455. I know what it's trying to do. It's trying to U-shape its way to create a new channel. Easy to read. And right, and see, man, Primo always read my mind. I swear I was talking about Tesla. I was just about to say that too. Let me help me go to Tesla real quick, because I might, let me see. Let's see, boss. Let's see, can we I ain't gonna lie. Okay. Let me see if I'm on the same level with Primo. Primo, what is your guess prediction on how far we can go? I'm gonna say mine. I'm gonna say with Tesla, if we get above 450, that'll put us in a range, and I already told everybody, from 450, because that'll create a bottom. As we move up, I say from 450 to 452.50 up to 455. All together, $5 movement on up. From 450 to 455 with the mid area of 452.50. So I think that you still have room to go from 450 to 452.50. I think that. Man, love you too, man. T, you know as always, man. You got my number. We locked in, man. We brothers from another mother, bro. I love you to death, man. You know you one of my hearts, man. My heartbeats that keep me going, man. I love you to death, T. Thank you so much for everything that you do on my Discord. And I know we've been through a lot, or we seen a lot, or experienced a lot, because I know you went through a lot of ups and downs with the other communities and everything else. But the fact is, through the grace of God, no matter what communities we transition to, we stay together as brothers, man. And I thank you for always being a real one, man. Appreciate you. And guys, look at SPY. Look at this. Look how to identify a pattern. Look at this. Bottoms, right? To yesterday's bottoms, rotated from bottoms to what? Tops. Look how easy that was to identify that. And not just the candles, what price points? Right around the 687s. I'm sorry, 687s up towards the what? 691s. That easy. Don't complicate nothing, man. Take yesterday's tops into today's top, because yesterday's problems is going to be today's problems until you break above it. So we know the rotation, from bottoms, just like yesterday's, to tops, today's bottoms. Look how easy that was to identify that quick. Y'all know this, man. Y'all know this. Stop overcomplicating shit. Y'all know how to read this stuff, man. I don't know why y'all play dumb. Y'all know this. Y'all smart. Y'all are very intelligent, man. Ladies and gentlemen, y'all all smart, man. If I can do it, y'all can do it. I had to learn, y'all can learn too. Shit. Look at this. Range. Thursday's range, Friday's range, same exact range, tops and bottom. But look how easy it is to identify that. So we know that we break above this price point and we spike up and pull back. We know that we can take what? Utilize this resistance now for support for the next move up. Vice versa. That knows that we crack this level, go back up into resistance. We can use this level for some resistance. Guys, look how easy that is. Come on, baby. Man, come on, man. Y'all get me excited looking at this. Come on, man. All these opportunities that y'all know y'all got right in front of y'all. Y'all play around too much. Y'all wait on other people, man. Look. Depend on yourselves, man. Look. Easy. Look, let me show y'all real quick before I have to take my little break. We get above this price point, right? Let's just say we go up here, pull back down. What can we use for a possible pullback bounce? Right? Resistance. Turn it to support. Put a move back on up. That's one. All right, cool. That's done. Number two. All right. Because we identified the range. All right, let's go this way. And we dig it downside. We know that we can crack this level, bounce back on up to resistance. Guys, is that wheel not spinning yet? Is that wheel not spinning yet in y'all heads on how easy this stuff is? If I can make SPY easy, y'all can take any other trade and make it easy. SPY, we understand the rotation. Look, man, come on, man. Look how much I would have been up from 686 up to 690. That's $4 up. Fridays, y'all Fridays would have been done that quick. Think about it. Easy. Done with. Bottoms, top, sold, done. I mean, come on, man. Easy, baby. Easy. Now the question is, where are we going to go from here? Are we going to Once we once we test this area and pull back, can we hold this trend line for the move up? Or could this be somewhat of like a third top and then back on down? But you see how I can identify those areas that we can psychologically pull up to and just utilize those price points to the best of my ability? I'm not getting caught in choppiness, chop, in these little middle areas where it don't mean shit to me. It's just chop. But I know where the overall bottoms is. I know where the overall tops is. I know the rotation. Tops, bottoms, rotations. Dude, that's all you do. Is take those prices, let me see. Let's see how. Yeah. Let me take a look, boss. I'm still looking at Tesla because I'm still watching that 450. If we do it for a spike, I do think for Tesla we could go above 450, up towards that 452 to 455, where we can get a nice, nice red to green and move to the upside. I mean, you're above all indicators. I'm gonna keep that in mind. Matter of fact, let me move Tesla over real quick. Cause now, see, Primo is addictive. No, don't get me wrong. I love his addiction. I freaking love his addiction. Cause the things he called out, he's always spot on. I love it. And he got me on the VIX. And if it wasn't, and again, shout out to Primo, because if it wasn't for Primo, I wouldn't pay attention to VIX to know what SPY is gonna do. That's why I love Primo so much. I love him. He's like a father figure to me in the stock market because he teaches me. Because you got to remember, guys, VIX does the opposite of what SPY does. So if VIX falls, SPY goes up. So as of now, what was the range I got on VIX on this one? And then I ain't gonna lie, what I started to do when it came down to Primo on VIX, I try to outdo him now. And out of fun. Because again, look where the bottoms are located at right now. Where did we bounce that on VIX, guys? Right around the 1525, right? 1525. So we know we have room to fall down to 1525. So if we fall down to 1525, we know we have room to spike them on what? Look how easy that was. Look how easy that was. I identified my bottoms, and then I identified the opportunities on SPY. I mean, come on, man. That easy. And as I'll do it again, shout out to Primo for making me pay more close attention to VIX to know, to kind of try to utilize. And you want to know a crazy part about it, guys? I'm gonna tell you after I do my break. I'm gonna take my little break real quick. I'm gonna tell you after I do this. So let me run to the restroom real quick, guys. Give me a few minutes. I'll be right back. But man, shout out to everybody who's catching on to it, to realizing that, man, stock trading is not hard at all. But just stop hopping from stock to stock to stock to stock. If you stay in one particular or one or two to even three stocks, understand the personality. Every stock ETF has a personality. Why do you think I put lines down? Because understanding the personality and the psychological levels on how they move to make trading easy for myself. That's it. But guys, I'm going to be right back. Let me use the restroom and we're going to get geared up. And I'm going to share a little bit more with y'all on my ways of thinking on how I trade. I'll be right back. Love y'all. Peace. All right, guys, we back. And look at it. Notice the rotation. From the bottoms, you rotated what? To the tops. Look how easy that was. Look how simple that was. Same thing with Tesla. You got above what? 450. As I told you. Break above that. Now we can possibly utilize this bottom for pullback bounce. It may get a continuation up. Right now we got continuation green candles up. So let's see. Can we get rejected here? Pull back before bounce back up to 450? Let's keep it on watch. Right now, we still got VIX pulling back down, looking weak, while SPY's looking strong. Remember, they do the opposite of one another. So as VIX pulls down, SPY goes up. So just be mindful and just pay close attention to details, man. Like don't make stock trading complicated. Don't make it complicated, man. Make it fun. You know you don't want to buy at the tops. You want to wait for pullbacks, pullback bounces. We know we want to wait for pullback bounces if we don't get that continuation push on Tesla. Right now, we got up towards, damn near towards 250 towards my alert. So we ran up perfectly right at my alert. When we're getting a little bit of interference, as I told you, for a little pullback, and look for the possible continuation up. I mean, right now, look like Tesla's trying to move up to the upside. And I told you on Fridays, be mindful on Tesla because it likes to go for move to the upside. Same thing with SPY. Look what SPY's doing. We're back on this uptrend. We're in this ascending triangle pattern. We got to get above this 91-ish level, 92 level to get that push up to the upside. But it's just simple, man. Like don't make trading complicated. Now so far as the 5-minute time frame, right? Let me go to it a little bit. Let me go to it. And shout out to Primo for helping me, again, become a better trader, man. And again, I gotta give credit to what credit is due. So now we ran up from these bottoms. We already rotated our way up to these tops. So we know where the tops is from pre-market areas. Here, we're going right back onto these areas. So be mindful of this area right here, where sellers could possibly be sitting at. So just pay close attention to detail. Pay close attention to details. We are running right back up to pre-market highs. Up here, right around this little level. Continuation uptrend. Up. Now watch to see if we're going to either break or get rejected. But we know to not chase. We are getting overextended. Don't chase it. Tesla, like I told you, pull back. See, man, you can't make this stuff up, man. You can't make. It's just easy. It's not hard to read this stuff, man. It's just very simple. Just don't make it complicated. And again, what hurts a lot of people is that they trying to take on too many stocks than what they know they can take. Stick to what you're good at. Stick to the stock that you're good at, and just understand the personality on how it moves. Didn't I tell y'all we're gonna get a little rejection right at 452.50? Why would I lie to y'all? Come on, man. SPY, right around pre-market areas, right around this 91. Put it right back up to where around these pre-market areas here. And again, keep in mind that range. Where did we get rejected at? 90, around 91, 91, back on down. That's where your sellers came in at. You gotta think about the psychological levels. Lick VIX, put it back on down, as I told y'all, right back down towards the 15, 20. See how I just make trading so simple and not complicated by just understanding levels? It's just very simple. Very, very simple. And that's why I draw lines, to understand psychological levels. I don't just draw lines to make it look, just to put lines on a chart. No, to understand these levels. It's very, very simple to read, man. Don't make it complicated. Have fun with it. Tesla did it for me. Boom. Shout out to my guy. Shout out to Primo. Yep, 690. We up 691s. Right back in towards the tops. Now the goal is we want to break that level and create a new high. We want to break out of this range and create a new range. Easy. Simple. Make it, like I said, don't make stock trading complicated. Look how these areas are hitting all my respectful areas. Look at that. From VIX, where I have my levels at, where we're pulling back down to. Tesla, with the levels where we're pulling up to. SPY, where we're pulling up to. I mean, look how I got all my respectful levels. And how I just understand these levels. Easy. Without making it complicated. That's it. I mean, look at the full rotation. You went from these bottoms. Look at the complete rotation up. From bottoms to tops. Same exact rotation from yesterday. You ran from bottoms to tops, and from the tops you came right back down to. Don't make it complicated, man. Man, Blow, what's up, boss? Yeah, I mean, just make trading fun, guys. Don't make it complicated, man. Just have fun with it, man. And like I said, stick to the stocks or the ETFs that'll help benefit you the most, and read off of it. All we doing is going right back up to yesterday's highs. Right back to yesterday. We rotated from yesterday's bottoms to yesterday's highs. That's it. In the same exact range. Thursday's range. That's it. Thursday's range. Now, do we have room to pull back? Yeah. If we can't break, we do have room to pull back. Give it some time. We can't break out. All right, play the put side. Now we're at these tops. Let's see, can we get a pull back down? If we can't break out, But don't make it complicated. Take it easy. Take it easy. Stick to the stocks you're good with. Trade it. And look at this. Hit my line damn near perfectly. Spot on. Right at these tops. Red candle coming in. Put it right back. Can't make this up. You can't make this up, man. Have fun. Have fun. Enjoy your trading, man. Enjoy your trading experience. So all I'm doing is just going through my contract. Oops, I put the wrong. And that's another thing. I'm gonna tell you what a lot of you guys are feeling that too. And I know a lot of y'all are doing this, especially option traders. You're not setting up your charts or your contracts ahead of time. You're doing it as is. Don't do that. Stop that shit. Stop setting it up right then and there. No. Prepare ahead. Understand your price points from tops to bottoms and already have your contract set up. That's the easiest thing to do, bro. Like, guys, stop complicating shit. Stop it. Stop. You're doing too much. You're overthinking. That might even take. Oh shit. God dang it. I hate when it does that. It always messes up my God dog it. Did it take it? Ah, it didn't even take my goddamn contract. Son of a bastard. So, they did. Wait, what did I have? 1 or 2? 2. Wait, whoa. Why did it? It put me in the wrong. And that's another thing I work on too. I got a bad habit of switching fixing my contracts. I did it wrong again. I mean, I'm on a put on accidentally on Tesla, which is I'm still in the good. I'm still in the clear, but right at 52.50. But that's not what I wanted. That's not what I was. That's another thing too. Pay attention to your contracts and how you have your contract set up, because I always do this. It's not what I wanted. I was trying to set up a contract for SPY, and then it was set for Tesla on accident. Let me see. We still pulling back though. Oh, whoa. God dang it. See, I messed myself up too just now. Hold up. Let me fix this. That's why I gotta stop having too many charts open or too many contracts open, because it messes me up, man. Let me fix it, because that's not what I was. It messed up my contracts. It didn't switch my contracts. Yeah, it messed me up just now. That's not what I was trying to do. I said SQQQ. It just literally just messed me up. God dog it. It just messed me up. I thought it switched me over. God dog it. And that's another thing. Pay close attention to the way you have your chart set up. I just messed myself up just now. I ain't gonna lie to you. I kind of messed it up. Funk. It's not what I wanted to do. I messed myself up. I'm gonna show you what I did wrong, and it was my fault. I thought I wasn't paying attention to my contracts. Shit. See, I had SQQQ, and see, it got Tesla. I messed up. I mean, I didn't properly set my contracts up. God dog it. I messed up. Shit. Let me fix it. All right, let me fix it, because I had to fix my F-ups real quick. God dang it. I was trying to go for a SQQQ back down, and I put the wrong contract. Because I got 2 contracts set up for puts and shorts, and for puts and longs, and That was on me. That was my fault. That was my fault. I can man up and admit that. I dropped the ball on that. That was my fault. Had it set up wrong. Damn, contracts messed me up. God dog it. Had contracts set up all types of wrong. Had it set up for puts back down, but it messed me up just now. Shit. That's what happens when you have multiple contracts open. That was my fault. That was my fault. I wasn't even paying attention. I ain't gonna lie to you. I wasn't even paying attention. I messed up. That was on me. That was me. That was me. That was me. That was my mess up. So, it was a $2 loss. $2 loss. But I mean, let me hurry and fix my mess ups real quick. Let me fix my mess ups. God dog it. Total fluke. God dog, I messed myself up. I was trying to go for puts and I accidentally wrong contract. That's why I had to hurry and fix it. Because once we ran up towards 250, 250, back on down. See, damn it. I meant to go for puts and it had him set for calls. Shit. God dog it. That's what happens when you multitasking. Like I said, when you have too many things open. Yeah, my fault. But like I said, it just goes to show you, things happen. I mean, mistakes happen. God damn, I would have been playing it back down to the downside. It just, damn it. I had to set it wrong. Shit. All types of wrong. And see, that's why I wanted to go in for puts, not calls. See that? It went up, up. I was trying to play the puts back down. I was rushing, didn't pay attention to my contracts. I had it set up incorrect. Funk. That's why you gotta take your time and don't rush. That's why you gotta take your time and don't rush. Don't rush. Don't rush. Don't rush. That was my fault. That was my fault. Shit. I had to set up wrong. Again, that was my fault, man. Right at 52.50, I was trying to go for the pullback down, and I messed up. Because the way I have my contract set up, they like overlapping each other. They overlapping each other, and I had it set. I was looking at the wrong contracts. That was my fault. Shit. It's all good. Damn it. I was waiting for this pullback. Yeah, I know that was my fault. I mean, I'm gonna take a screenshot. I'm gonna take a screenshot on how I had mine set up, and then I messed myself up. I have two contracts set up, and I wasn't paying attention on what I was doing. I was too busy rushing. That was my fault. I was too busy rushing, and that was literally my fault. That was on me. That was on me. Cause I was meaning to play puts. And I went accidentally, and it set me up for calls by mistake. Totally on me. I mean, green to red. That's what I was. Like I said, I like when I see consecutive movements, and that's when I like to play the opposite. I like to play the opposite of what it's doing. God dog, I messed up. That was my fault on that one. On Tesla, that was my fault. My fault. Cause yeah, anytime I see consecutive green candles up like this, I like to play the opposite back down real quick, and I dropped the ball on that. Yeah, like I said, that was on me. But it was a little $2 loss, man. That was my bad. My fault. I wasn't paying attention. Like I said, we human, man. We make mistakes, man. It happens. But I do like the little uptrend. We do have setting up on Tesla. I do like the uptrend for that possible push up towards that 455. So I do like that. I know we got two red candles down so far, holding up right at that 200-day moving average. So let me go for my quick trade real quick. Let me scalp it back and reclaim the little loss I just made. Let me see. So I caught the call right back up. So let me see, can we get this push back to the upside from a little red to green? I'll take a small little trade on that. Let me see. Yeah, I messed up. I dropped the ball. Shit. Yeah, but that was literally my fault. My fault. God dang it. So what I'm doing is, guys, on my end, I'm watching this to see can we hold above the 200-day moving average. To see can we do a possible, red to green back up. So that's, but like I said, I dropped the ball on it. Yeah, my fault. My bad. Wasn't paying attention. My fizzle. So, yeah, my fault. And again, let me show y'all my contracts. The way I have mine set up. I'm gonna show y'all real quick. Let me take a screenshot. Yeah, that's my fault. My fault. I dropped the ball real quick. All right, so the way I got mine set up, see, I have two of them. See, I have one for puts, which is in red, and then I have the other one at the top for calls, and I did it wrong. I was rushing, not paying attention, and I dropped the ball. That was me. That was my fault. So what I'm doing is to see can we bounce off that 200-day moving average and push back up, in which we are. So let me get back that little loss real quick. All right, I got it back. All right, I got it. All right, so let me recorrect myself. So I got about $2 back. All right, I'm good. All right, so now as we bouncing back on up to the upside, 200-day moving average is holding 150. So I just had to recover that real quick. So let me get myself reset the right way because I messed up. That was my fault. So all I did was play the little rebound off it right here. I'll play the call back up. So I got it back real quick. Oh, I can't believe I did that. Yeah, chill. I can't believe I did that. That was my fault, boss. That was on me. But I do like the little setup. Like I said, the way that we setting up, we still setting up for an uptrend on Tesla. So I like that. Which is making me comfortable to go for the uptrend. Back to the upside. God dang it. Let me see if I can Alright. I like the setup. From 450 because I think that we can possibly run our way right back up to that. Because I like the setup. We got like an uptrend setup. I like that. So, quick little scalp break back on up. Quick little scalp. I had to fix that. I had to correct that funk up real quick. And I'll show y'all. I mean, to show y'all, this is a small scalp back up, but I had to correct my mess up so I can put myself back correct. And I'll show y'all. I ain't got nothing to hide. Where's my small little game back? Nothing major. Just had to fix that. Because I don't like that. I have an OCD complex with that shit. OCD complex. Real OCD. So, as y'all can see, Tesla, I was down real quick. And I bounced it right back up to one. So I recovered it. So I recovered it real quick. So I got it back to a positive. I got back real quick to a positive. So I had to correct my mess ups real quick. Cause that was an accident. That was a total accident. Did not mean to do that. All right. I ain't gonna lie, but Chubb, I can tell you. I'm gonna tell you what I was doing. I really wasn't even focused on Tesla at the time. I'm gonna tell you, God to the truth, what I was trying to do, and I wasn't paying attention. I was trying to go for SQQQ or shorts right here, and I was trying to short it, and I didn't realize that my contracts didn't switch. And I had dropped. I had messed up. I did. That was my fault. That was on me. Cause I seen as we was coming back to these tops, I was gonna try to go for a quick little scalp resistance here and go back down, but it put me in on Tesla because I didn't fully switch my contracts over, and that was my fault. That was me. That was my fault. I dropped the ball. I'll fix it. That was my fault, guys. That was me. Like I said, at least I'm man enough to admit my faults. Because I was trying to go for a put right here. And that was my bad. My fluke. My fluke on that one. But Tesla, like I said, is still holding 650. 200-day moving average. So that's still holding. So what I did was I utilized this little area here for a pullback bounce, 200-day moving average, and I just made a quick little scalp back up. Because I had to recorrect myself. That was my fault. was totally my fault. But I was trying to go for a put at first on SPY the tops, because I'm looking at, so for y'all don't know what I'm doing, I'm looking at Tesla and I'm looking at SPY, but SPY we already hit the tops and I was already focused on that, and I went up, like I said, I put in the wrong contracts. That was my fault. That was me. My fault. Let me see if I can try to get SPY now. If I can. Oh shoot! Why is it not letting me grab it? Let me see. Shoot. God dog it. Let me try to. Come on. Because right here we're hitting these tops, man. I'm trying to. Goddamn, I'm trying to see if it's gonna let me fix it real quick. Gonna let me grab it? Nope. God dang it! I think I missed my opportunity on that because of that mess up I just did. I don't think it's gonna let me do it. Shoot. Let me go back to the other one I just had. Let me go to one contract real quick. Let me see if it's gonna let me do it. Let me go to one contract just to start off with. All right, let me try one. Let me see if it's gonna let me grab it. Nope, it's still not letting me grab it. We at the tops, man. Why didn't I grab my orders? Alright, there we go. Alright. So I got one. So I just want to see. I just want to test it. Okay. Yeah, it didn't let me grab. I was trying to go with 2, but it didn't let me grab it. I got SQQ, right? Yeah, it is SQQ. So why is it not? Should be moving up, not down. Cause we are pulling back down. So why the? Boy, Fridays are swell Fridays. Should be pulling back. Yeah, it messed me up, man. That Tesla trade messed me up just now. I had to recorrect myself. Cause we all pulling back. So why the hell is it not? Let me see Let me see, guys. God dang it, man. Oh, shit. I know what I did wrong. Oh, I did it again. Hold up. Oh, I know what I did. I know what I just did. Hold up. Oh, God. My mind is not. I don't know. My mind is not where it needs to be right today. I know exactly what I just did. Funk. Yeah, Fridays is my worst. It's like, God dang it. I know exactly what I just did. I know exactly what I just did wrong. Oh no, what I was thinking. I don't know what I was thinking. Oh my God, I messed up big time. I know exactly what I just did wrong. Holy crap! Holy crap! I gotta fix this. You gonna laugh at me once I tell you, Chubb. Hold on, Chubb. You gonna laugh once I tell you this. What I just did. What the funk was I thinking? Alright, let me fix this. Let me fix this again. Jay, get it together, bro. Come on, man. Come on, bro. You got the right idea. You just... Man, my mind is just not where it needs to be today. I swear it's not. I'll tell y'all what I did. What I just did. I had the right. I did it wrong. Wait, what? What? Wait. Why is it not grabbing it? Hold on. Wait. Why is... Hold on. Why is it insignificant funds? I got settled funds. What the... Hold up, man. What the hell is going on? Insignificant funds. What the hell? Hold up, man. Hold up, man. Hold on, guys. Let me see something. Something's not right. Why the hell is it not taking my orders? I got funds. What the funk is it talking about? Only down $5 today. Oh, because man, my mind is gone right now. I'm gonna tell you what I did. Yeah, I mean, I'm gonna tell you what I did. Let me just see if it's gonna let me. Hold on. Why is it not trade or letting me trade it? Let me see. It should be. I got set of funds. So why the hell is it not letting me do it? All right, here we go. I had to change my account. Hold up. Yeah, okay. There we go. All right. Now we back to action. Now we back. All right. Now let me see if I can fix it. What the fuck? All right. Here we go. So it's gonna let me now take orders. Can I do it now? All right. Let me see. All right. There we go. I'm gonna tell you what I did stupid not too long ago. I'm gonna tell you what I did idiotic. I don't know what my mind. My mind just. I don't know where my mind was at. I don't know where my mind was. Like I said, just. God. I mean, I'm up now, back in profits. But I'm gonna tell you what I just did earlier, just stupidly just now. Yeah, Fridays, I swear. So everything is starting to turn so cool, but I'm gonna tell you what I did idiotic though. I'm watching my trade real quick. I'm gonna tell you what I did stupid. How I messed up that second chance. I'm gonna tell you what I did. Like I said, just not thinking. Like I said, my mind all over the place. I'm gonna tell you what I did stupid. I'm about to take a screenshot to show you what I did dumb just now. Yeah, it just God. All right. So even though we put it back down, right? I don't know where my mind was at. So I went on this side on SQQQ. Knowing what I should have got on this side SQQQ. I don't know what I was thinking. I'm on the right side of things now, but Jesus, I don't know what I was thinking. I guess it's just Fridays. I don't know. It's a Friday thing. Don't make me lie. Alright, cool. Alright, now I'm back where I need to be. Because I knew it was going to turn. Like I told you, watch this 90-91. Okay. Alright, I had to get that wheel back and running. I had to get my wheel back running. Alright, now we're good. What the hell, bro? What the funk was I thinking earlier? Jeez Louise, what was I thinking? Alright, now we good. Alright, we back and running. Guys. I don't know where my mind was at. Don't ask, because I'm not going to even tell you. Because I'm going to just lie to y'all. I'm going to just say I don't know. I'm going to simply lie. I'm saying I don't know. Simply lie my ass off. And say I don't know. Yeah, my mind just, I don't know. My mind, like I said, don't judge me, god dang it. Don't judge me. Don't do that. Don't do that shit. Don't do it. Just tell y'all nicely. Don't judge me. My mind was off. Cause I don't know why the hell was I on the put side on SQQQ when I know SQQ is gonna go down. Don't do that. Don't do that. Again, I don't know where my mind was at. I don't know. My mind was all over the place. Because I can't lie to y'all. I mean, I can't tell y'all an answer. I don't know what the hell I was thinking. I don't know what. Like I said, today Fridays, again, and for those who don't know what I'm talking about, I'm going to tell you what I did. My mind was just. Okay, so normally with SQQQs, I'm going to tell you what happens. Normally with SQQQs, you're automatically supposed to go on this side because it goes up. Because if SPY goes down, see, SQQQ does the opposite of what SPY does. So that means if SPY goes down, SQQQ goes up, right? Why the hell? Again, my mind is all over the place for the day. Don't judge me. Why did I get on this side on SQQs I was like, what the funk did I just do? Knowing I was supposed to go on this side. Because it's gonna automatically go up. Because again, when SPY goes down, SQQ's automatically goes up. And like I said, don't judge me. I'm gonna tell you right now, don't do it. You see what yeah. That's what's up, and that's what's up about the QQQs. I mean, that's why I got on SQQQs. I for some reason I went backwards. Primo, don't judge me. I'm gonna tell you right now, if you judge me, I hope your toilet break and you got bubble guts. I went backwards. Like I said, today Fridays, man. Fridays just threw me off. Okay, look. At least I was honest to tell y'all the truth, man. I ain't lie to y'all. Shit, my mind was just, I don't know what the hell I was thinking. I don't know what I was thinking. Mind gone. But I told y'all to watch around those lows on VIX. I told y'all that already. I don't know what the hell made me do what I did though. I don't know. Like I said, today was just Fridays. It's just. But I did tell y'all watch that 691. I told y'all watch 691. I did alert y'all on that. Yeah, like I said, my mind all over the place. Just don't mind me right now. Don't do it. Just don't. I beg y'all, don't do it. Let me be in my. Let me just. I mean, I got it back. I got it back again, but. My mind. I don't know where my mind is at right now. I don't know where it's at right now. It's just in La La Land. That ain't good. My mind in La La Land right now. I don't know what the fuck my mind just. I don't know where my mind is at right now. I'm doing things I know I ain't supposed to do, and I'm still doing stupid shit. No, I'm good. No, I mean, Chubb, I got it. I got back to where I'm at. Because, I mean, I knew the areas I was going to get in at. I just did. I don't know where my mind was at. I don't know. I don't know, boss. My mind was just. I don't know where it was at just now. I don't know what the hell made me do that. I'm like, on SQQ, why the hell would you go on the put side? That's stupid. SQQ automatically goes up. Like, what? Like, Jay, what the hell is you thinking? Like I said, today Friday, I don't know. But I did alert you guys on these tops. I did alert y'all. Yeah, Chubb, I don't know where my mind is at right now, boss. Just don't make me lie to you. Because oh my God. I just don't know. Today, like I said, it's just one of those days, man. Just one of those days, boss. It's like I know what it's about to do, and I did the total opposite. And just, you know, where my mind was at. That's all I'm going to say. Mind gone right now. Just. And as I told you guys, we came down to these bottoms, right around that 15.25 on VIX. And there go your VIX. As VIX goes up, SPY comes down. Yeah, it's just one of those days, boss. Because I knew what I wanted to do, but my mind, I don't know. It's like my mind wasn't meeting up with my movement. I don't know what the hell what was going on. I don't know, boss. My mind, I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. But my mind was just. Like I said, I can't even explain it. I can't explain it to you, boss. I don't even want to lie to you. And knowing SQQQQ, I know I should be on the call side of that. What the hell made me go? I don't know. I guess because I was so used to doing puts on the right side of that contract. I don't know. I don't know. Like I said, I can't explain it. I knew what I wanted to do, but my brain wasn't matching with my hands. Just now, oh God, I'd be ashamed of myself. I'd be ashamed of myself. I ought to be ashamed. I mean, I can still get scalps even on CRWV still, because I mean, I know we downstream on that. Let me see if I get scalps on that. You know, that's one of my favorites too. My mind just wasn't. It just wasn't going with my fingers just now. I don't know what the hell. What was it? Boss, don't even make me lie to you. My mind wasn't just catching up to it. I don't know what the hell was going on just now in my mind. My mind was just in a. I don't know where my mind was at. And it's like I knew what I was doing, but my mind was just, like I said, it's one of them days, boss. One of them days. Like I said, especially on Friday. Especially Fridays, like, I knew what I wanted to do. It just, mind wasn't catching up to it. I don't know what the hell it was. Brain wasn't collecting. Alright. Oh shit! I got good to cat. Come on, Jay. Back on days. Back on days. Back on days. There you go. There you go. There you go. There you go. Almost dropped the ball on that one. Alright, come on. Come on. Pull your way back, because I know what you want to do. Come on, now. Take it. Take more orders. Come on. Oh, there you go. You sexy bitch. Come on, CLWV. Let's go. Yes. Yes. Oh. Whew. Had me scared for a minute. I was about to say, come on, man. I know y'all gonna take my orders, bro. Don't play with me. Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do it. I caught it. Woo! Yes. I had to make it up, boy. I had to make it up. That was quick. That was a quick trade. right at, what was that, 93? Yeah, right at 93. Which I still think we'll crack 93 back down to the 92s. Boy, that was quick. Oh, I had to go for a quick move on that one. I had to go for a quick move for that was quick. Whew. And then we bounced right back on up. Boy, that was quick. Boy, I'm glad they grabbed my orders just in time. Yeah. Yes. Whew. Alright, I'm back. Alright. Your boy back, Chubbs. Your boy back, baby. Your boy back. Had me scared for a moment, man. I'm back, baby. Right before that candle started to change. Let's go. Whew. That was quick. Right at 93. I got it, though. I got it. Right before the buys started to move back in, I got that quick little short. That was a quick. I had to go fast with that. Woo. Quick. All right, now we back above 93 on CRWV. So let me see what we're going out with. SPY pushing back up. So that was quick. Boy, that was quick. Oh, I didn't know they was gonna grab more order in time. I kind of started to see it hesitate a little bit, and I had Herbert grab my sell my orders right before we started to bounce back up because I went for a put. I went for a quick put down on CLWV, back down to 93. And right when I sold, boy, we bounced back in time. Boy, that was quick. That was quick. Like I said, boy, Fridays, boy. So I told y'all, man, be careful on Fridays. Fridays can catch you. If you ain't paying attention, they'll catch you slipping. Boy, I got it right at 93. That was beautiful. Beautiful, quick little trade back on down to 93. Back out right before the bounce. Chubb, you saw that? Right before the bounce. Woo! Oh, right before the bounce. I don't know how I managed to pull that one off. That was quick. That was quick. Now we back above 94. Look like buys a bomb right back in at 93 on CRWV. Back up to 94. Bro, I did that just in time too. Boss. It's like I caught that last red candle down at 93 pullback. And I got out just time before that bounce. Boy, that was quick. Whew. So I'm up now in profits. I'm back up. Now I gotta see now where we going from here. Even SPY, I gotta watch to see where we going. Man, like I told y'all guys, Fridays I'm watching Tesla, I'm watching CRWV, and I'm watching SPY. I gotta see which one's gonna be my next hitter. All right, so I know it's SPY. I know it's CRWV. We're in between 93 and 94. So we have yet to break above 94. We have yet to crack 93. So I know we're in the dollar range with that one. All right, SPY. I mean, as long as we hold that the 200-day moving average and the VWAP, I mean, I know we have room to go back on up. So if we could break above 91, I mean, where we can get this reverse. Okay, so Chubb. Okay, so my next possible game plan, boss. I do see a possible uptrend setting up for SPY. I do see that. So I see the bottoms that we held at 86. Got back above, 88, 89. I do see a possible uptrend, a transition. So I do see that. So I could transition over back to a long. I do see that. A possible uptrend back to the upside. So let me get myself up. I want to see, can we break above 91? I want to get that confirmation. And then, boy, I got out of CRW just in time. Jeez Louise. Whoo, I caught that last red candle down right before that push. Whoo. All right, PLTR boss, let me take a look. Oh, it is up 3%. And I didn't even see my and thank you, shout out to Primo for damn, and we are up on PLTR. I wasn't even looking at my damn watch list. I got so caught up with SPY and boy, I got caught up in that hype just now. I wasn't even looking at my watch list just now. Yeah, PLTR is up, but I do have it on my watch list. It's at 3.19%. Shout out to Primo for bringing that up to my upside down. Let me see if I can catch that one. Let me see how we go. I'm trying to catch scalp. Guys, we're going for scalp. I'm just letting you guys know I'm scalping. I'm scalping right now. I'm going for quick scalps. I'm not going for nothing long. So right now, I mean, we're scalping on up towards what, 70, 172, 75. Okay, Primo. What is your target price on PLTR, boss? Do you think we can break above that 172.50 up to 75? What you think? So you think we can break above that price point, 172.75 up to 75 itself? I mean that'd be another good scalp though. Primo tempted me. Let me see. Look at PLTR contracts. I mean, I'm gonna look at it on the long side. Funk the short side. I ain't doing shorts right now. Bump that crap. Oh no, shorts out of the questions. Not happening. No. I just saved the play on that one. There ain't no more shorts right now for me. No. No shorts right now for me, guys. I'm just letting you guys know, no shorts. Not for me right now. I barely got out of that one. No. Looks like we're heading toward. Okay, so based on what I have right now, boss, on PLTR, I have 172.50 up to 175. Let me look at my 1 hour just to confirm that. I'm gonna look at my 1 hour to confirm that real quick. 172.50. Let me double check that. Let me take a look real quick, boss. I got you. All right, let me take a quick look. PLTR. Let me see on the 1 hour on where we can go. Yeah, ain't no more shorts for me right now. Bump that crap. No. Like I said, like Friday, and that's one thing, guys, you got to be mindful of on Friday. And yeah, you could pull up to that 200-day moving average. That's gonna be so, boss. Primo. So I do have room to run up towards that 72.50 up to up here, right? Like right up towards that 200-day moving average, boss. So that'll be the next move up. So 172 plus, 172 plus, possibly up towards that 200-day moving average is right around 172, right up this way. Let me confirm that though. So we got these highs. Yep, 172 highs up here. Yep, 172s and then up towards that 200-day moving average. So look like about 2 more candles up. I know we're getting overbought. I mean, we definitely getting overbought right now. Even on my one RSI on my 1 hour, we definitely getting overbought right now. Cause if you think about it, guys, it's green. So I'm gonna tell. Okay, let me tell you the beauty point. Let me tell you the beauty point about PLTR right now, based off what I'm seeing right now in front of me. So due to the fact is that they're going straight up like this, and if you miss this move up, we can play the move back down. So if you miss the move up, we can be playing a possible move right back on down to downside. So right now, buyers have it. Right now it's green. You don't see no red candles yet, even on the 1 hour time frame. So that means that buyers have it. I mean, buyers clearly have it. From these bottoms of pre-market all the way up. But notice on my RSI on my 1 hour, we are definitely overbought. So let them run it up towards those tops, and then look for a possible reversal coming up soon. So that's all I'm gonna say for the next possible opportunity. The way this is setting up is all green candles, all consecutive green candles up. You already know. Normally when we see consecutive candles up or down, we always 9 times out of 10 see the reversal, the opposite. So it's kind of like right here. See how you had this big consecutive red candle down? Look what happened. Red to green. So let me show you one that's green. When we went green, all consecutive green candles up, back to red. Red consecutive candles down, back to green. See that? Whenever you see consecutive, just be mindful of that. I'm just letting you guys know. So as of now, as far as today, it's consecutive green candles up. So 9 times out of 10, we push it to a target price point. So in other words, normally when you see consecutive movements, they're purposely, or they have a price point in mind that they're trying to go up to before a possible reversal. So I'm just letting you guys know. Right now, the 1 hour is green, 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 green. So buyers have it. So if you did miss the upside, if anything, let them run it up. Let them run it up, and then, possibly set yourself up for the reversal back down in due time, because you still got lunch hours to tend to. So that's a good sign. If you did miss it up, wait for the, when you don't feel like you want to chase, because you got to remember your VWAP is all the way back down this way. So let it run up, let it get overextended, let it do the damn thing. Whew. Boy, I can't believe I got out of that CRWB trade, though. That was crazy. Whoo! I caught that last red candle down before the pop. That was crazy. I don't know. I did it just in time, too. That was insane. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. I didn't know if I was gonna get it or not. Once I got on that red candle, we pulled back down towards 93. I sold it, and then next thing you know, bow. Right back on. But yeah, the way that, like I said, the way this PLTR is setting up right now, buyers have it. Buyers have it. You uptrending. So right now, I wouldn't go against the grain until we push up to those specific price points. So just let them have it. Don't go against it right now at this moment at the beginning of the market. Don't do it. I'm telling you right now, do not go against the grain, because you will get your ass shot. Just like PLTR. Going against the grain right now, trying to push his way back up to 95, don't do it. Don't set yourself up for failure. Do not do it. So like I said, if you go back to my 1 hour time frame on PLTR right now, it's consecutive green candles up. Don't chase it. So what it's doing is right now, see that? See? You're going from these bottoms right around 165. Don't get me wrong, it was a good entry, of course. But now you're pushing all the way up towards that 200-day moving average. So look how much room you still have to fill that gap up towards that, 72, 72.50. So be mindful of that you still got room to go up. And you are getting overbought. Keep that in mind on my RSI. You are getting overbought. You can ride it up, but be mindful later on that we could get a transition back down. So I'm just letting you guys know. Ride it up and take advantage of it as you can, as you're going up towards that 200-day moving average. Take advantage of it going up. But as we hit around that 72.50 up to 73, you might want to, kind of slow down a little bit. So, you can clearly see what it's doing. Got all consecutive green candles up with no red involved, no consolidation. Be mindful of that. So I'm just keep you guys aware of that. So y'all at least y'all know y'all can't say I didn't tell y'all. Y'all can't say, man, Jay ain't warn me nothing. Yeah, I did. Yeah, I did. Don't you dare lie on me. I told y'all everything. I wish you would lie on me. I wish you would. Oh, and you know what it is, Primo and Aussie and everybody, Chubb. Crawfish season, and then we in the South. Oh, I want some crawfish so bad. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. I am fiending for crawfish right now. I am fiending for crawfish. Ooh, let me while I'm looking at all of this, let me see. I wonder if they gotta sell a fiery crab though. I wonder if they gotta sell a fiery crab. Let's see. I don't know. I'm feeling for seafood right now. Like I literally want seafood. Let me see. Do we got some crawfish? I can order some. I see fiery crab with them snow crabs. Just feeling too. So tempting. God dang, it's so tempting. I'm hungry. All right, let me put my phone away. Let me focus. Got me hungry right now. CRWV still pushed to the upside. Trying to go back into these tops. I had to get away from my phone real quick. I gotta focus. I know a lot of you still trading. I'm sorry. I hope they got a sale on Fiery Crab today. Cause I wouldn't mind a little. Man, Jazz, I know you watching. Let's say Jazz. Jackie, I know you watching. I know you feeling for seafood too. I know you are. Don't even try that because I know you watching me. I want snow crabs. I know you feeling for some seafood. Don't even play. And right now, CRV, consecutive green candles up, going up towards a specific price point. Keep that in mind too. Up. So keep that in mind. Consecutive green candles up. See, bam. See, see what I mean? You gotta know how to read the room. Read them, baby. Read them and weep. You gotta know how to read that room. I told you. I see consecutive green candles up. I know better than go for shorts just yet. Just let them buyers have it. Funk that. I'm just not trying to put myself in a bad position. I know when to fold and when not to. Look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4. Trying to go right back up to these highs. And I'm not trying to. Let me see how we looking on CRW. Are we overbought too or what? Let me see. How we looking? And then ain't that a? Oh, I thought that was another. No, it was. Fiery Crab sent me another. Let me see. I'm gonna ask her. I don't care. I'm gonna ask her. I'm hungry. Shit. I don't know. I'm fiending. I'm fiending. I'm gonna see if she want it. I'm fiending. Alright, so we still got room to still push to. We started to come back on these 95. See, where's the tops from yesterday? Tops was all the way towards 90, almost towards 100 on CRWV. So from 95 to 100, so another $5 push. Still watching PLTR, so I told you guys puts. Let them have it. Let them run it up. Don't chase. I'm just feeling for seafood. I don't know. I guess because seafood season about to kick in. Well, it is already kicked in. Because of Lent and all that. Because I'm Catholic, so I already know Lent is about to be kicking in. So I already know we're gonna be having that. You know how we have to do with Catholics. You got to do Wednesdays and Fridays. You can only eat seafood. Oh, shit, watch what I'm about to do. Think I'm not? Okay. Wish you would doubt me. So ain't about to tear that food up. So. Shit, crawfish, crabs, snow crabs, shrimps. God, I'm feeling right now. I swear I'm feeling right now. I'm trying to hold it in, guys. I'm trying to do it for the team. I'm trying. I don't need no more temptation though. I'm trying to stop. I'm trying not to think about it. So right now, based off of CRWV, I'm gonna show you what I see on CRWV. So CRWV, I see that we're coming up towards that trend line again. I see that setup. I do see that bad boy. And that's going to be around, 95? So if 95 holds, we could get a turnaround. But if we do break above 95, do expect that push. Yeah, happy Friday, Sid. Happy Friday, Queen. Yeah, it is Happy Friday, too, man. Now, like I said, I know we're getting closer towards Lent, man. And, oh, man, I know a lot of people going to be gathering up for seafood. I'm trying not to let it get the best of me right now. It's too early in the morning. Man. It's like... damn near, on my end, it's almost 11 o'clock. Man, I'm feeling for some seafood right now. I don't know why. Nah, I ain't gonna lie. If you guys do have a Steamboat Bills in you guys' facility or around your area, man, I'm gonna tell y'all, if y'all haven't tried, do try it. The shrimp etouffee baked potato, dude. That's all I'm gonna say. Crawfish not crawfish, shrimp etouffee baked potatoes, a house potato. Matter of fact, let me see if I can put up a picture. I'm gonna make a lot of you guys hungry, especially if y'all like seafood. I'm about to piss y'all off. Let me see if I can bring it up. Let me see if I can bring it up real quick. Let me see. I'm gonna show you how I look on my end. Steamboat Bills. Even if y'all don't have one, y'all want to know what it is. So let me see. Steamboat Bills. Oops. Steamboat Bills. Shrimp etouffee. House potato. Shrimp etouffee. House potato. Let me see if it's gonna show it. There we go. Dude, I'm telling you. Oh my God. Oh my God. I mean, where's the... See, that's the fried shrimp. I think it's the fried shrimp and shrimp etouffee. But where's just the shrimp etouffee potato? Let me see if I can bring it up real quick. Let me see where you are. Where are you at? I think that may be it right here. No, it's crawfish etouffee. Where's that shrimp potato? But you guys, I'm telling you, if you do have a Steamboat Bills, I'm telling you, if you want something to hit the spot, or any seafood company or any seafood place that's around y'all, get you guys either a fried shrimp or a shrimp etouffee potato, dude. So I'm gonna say, dude. Oh my God. I mean, look at this. Shrimp. Oh my goodness. Look at this shrimp etouffee. Oh my God. I want to order this so bad. Let me see. Look at this. Fried shrimp etouffee. Oh my God. Just looking at this making me hungry right now. Oh my Jesus. I'm gonna show you. Okay. I'm gonna tell you. Yeah, it's called Steamboat Bills, Queen. Steamboat Bills. And my favorite. I'm gonna tell you my favorite food of all. Whenever I ever have a questionnaire, I'm just letting you guys know ahead of time. If I ever have a questionnaire and I bring this up, just so y'all remember, and I ever have a questionnaire, my favorite, top-notch, #1 of all is Papa Do's, crawfish etouffee, dirty rice. Jesus, look how oh my God, I'm hungry. Oh my God, that's like my number one off, this shit, oh my God, looking at this is sexy, oh my God, oh! Look how man, look at this, What shrimp? What shrimp etouffee? Well, you know what shrimp is. Shrimp etouffee is kind of like it's smothered in roux. Roux is a southern type thing, but it's good. No, Aussie. If anything, food wise, if you take anything from me, Queen, I'm telling you, off top, try it. See, right now, guys, I need that 91. I told you, watch that range with Spy. Still in this range right here. Getting top right here. Look like another top. I told y'all what to look out for. Queen, if I don't put you on anything else, I'm telling you. I'm from the South. I'm telling you. Man. That's, first of all, like I said, that Steamboat Bills, that shrimp potato, I'm telling you, that hit the spot. Cause it comes with shrimp, fried shrimp etouffee, the potato itself, of course, sour cream. What else it come with? I mean, even people look at this. Look, even people put harder. Look at this. This is in. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Even people on Facebook talk about it. That's how good it is. Melted cheese. Man, what else to come with it? Man, but it's like it's a big potato, and I mean, Aussie, you know, I wouldn't lie to you, Queen, I would not lie to you. Like, man, when I say it, just this one bowl, and it's just man. Oh my God, it's just, dude, it's ridiculous. I'm like thinking about it now, make me want to order one. It's like a big potato. Shrimp fried shrimp etouffee, potato, you know, the baked potato itself with cheese, sour cream. Oh my God, you'll lose your freaking mind. You will lose your freaking mind. Like, it's so good and so fulfilling, Queen. I'm telling you, you think I'm lying? Mark my words. That's all I'm gonna say. Mark my words on how fulfilled you will be. Yeah, you'll enjoy it. I promise you. You will enjoy it, and you'll thank me. And it's only like steamboat bills is only like $16 for like a bowl like that big for like $16. Because I'm thinking about ordering one today. I ain't gonna lie to you. I am fiending for one right now. I'm just like, man.
Thanks for tuning in JTraedz TV. Please stand.
My bad, guys. I ain't meant to press that button. My bad. My fault. I got look at that. I got so distracted not thinking about food. I'm pressing buttons. I'm pressing buttons all over the place. Oh, wait, hold on, guys. Is my thing back on? I'm back on? Yeah, my bad. My bad, guys. My bad. I pressed button. My fault. Look at that. I got so distracted. Look at that. Ooh, you know it's good when I'm pressing buttons on my live stream. Boy, that ain't good. I'm pressing buttons on my live stream. That ain't good. Man, like I'm fiending right now. I'm fiending for it. I'm fiending for it right now. I want it. I ain't gonna lie to you, boy. I'm fiending for it. So right now I'm still watching the market though. All right, let me calm down. I know today Fridays. Let me. But yeah, man. What else is good in the South? Cause I know you up north. Southwise, I mean, shit. I know you never had sauce pecan. Sauce pecan is good. Oh, it's one of my favorites too. Sauce pecan. I mean, gumbo, of course. It depends on what type of gumbo. I mean, you got seafood gumbo. You got sausage and chicken gumbo. I'm trying to think some other good food from the South that we normally eat down here that a lot of people don't eat. You know, like up north. And I mean, AK is another. AK can speak on that too, cause he always cooking. Oh my God! See, AK is more. He's like from Texas, so he's more like barbecue. And I eat barbecue too. I love barbecue too. You know, ribs and briskets and man, I swear, this is making me hungry right now. Oh, let me stop talking about food, man. Cause man, this shit sounded just delicious. Oh, this shit sounds so delicious right now. Oh my God. I'm so hungry right now. See, y'all just don't know. I'm trying to hold off because I know it's early in the morning still. I'm trying to hold off. But yeah, Aussie. So you got, I'm trying to think of some other foods like that we normally eat. Cause, well, okay. They used to have this place down here used to be called Wagon Wheel. Wagon Wheel used to be a barbecue shack. And let me say, I mean, they might have a picture, they might not. I could try to bring it up. It used to be called the barbecue beef sandwich. It used to be like briskets, like oh man, let me see. Let me try to see if I can bring it up. Wagon Wheel barbecue beef. Barbecue beef sandwich. Let me see if I can bring it up real quick. Oh shoot. All right, let me see if I can find the right one. The one that I used to eat. Cause they got a lot of them. Barbecue. It's like a barbecue brisket. It's like a. Let me see if I can find it right quick, Queen. Cause I want to give you the right one. Something like, it's almost something like to this one. It's almost something like this one. It's like a brisket. It's something like a. Oh my god! And then what made it even better? What made it like eat like more top notch? Man, they used to add like this barbecue sauce to it. Oh my god! Oh my god! It used to be like they used to sell this all the time. I would tear through that like it was nobody business. Oh man! Not with cheese though. It used to be regular. Oh my god! Oh, PFTR boss, see? I know we are still trimming up, boss. Let me see everything else. CRWV is still holding up pretty well, right above with that 93, 94, 94. Still in this range, that possible push above 95. Look like a U-shape pattern, that's looking good. PLTR, back in 71. Oh, wait, what percent? Are you shorting or are you going long, boss? Because I know right now we overextended. So are you shorting or go along with it? And do it new for you guys. I know it's getting overextended. It's starting to lag a little bit. I think it's I think it's the bit rates. I think it's the bit rate doing that because I see what it's doing. And I'll show y'all. Yeah, see? I think it's my bit rate doing that. I think the bit rate on it. I think once I go a certain amount of hours, it starts to do that. I mean, spot's still setting up pretty nice for possible squeeze. I mean, for a move up. So the view like we can move our way on up from 95 close to 96s. So that's still setting up pretty bullish. I mean, all indicators are setting up. PLTR at 170, 172. I know we are a little bit overextended. Oh, did we hit that? We didn't hit that level yet, though. What was the area we were talking about? Was PLTR? Was it 172.50? Come on, bit rates. I'm trying to get this OBS to get back right. So, you know, play without the lag. I'm sorry. To see about, what's our next, man, I'll go take IT. I know she can't right now, man. I was gonna take IT too. I was hungry. I was hungry too. I'll just get something for right now for me. Shoot, I ain't gonna lie. I was gonna take out the fire crab too, bro. We're gonna tear that, man. Man, I ain't gonna lie. I want that steamboat pills. I ain't gonna lie. I want that house potato. I'm gonna get the house potato. I might get the house potato. I ain't gonna lie. I might get the house potato, Aussie. I might get the house potato, Queen, because, man, that's calling my name right now. House potato calling me. I might get the house potato. I'm about to order it right now. I'm starving like Marvin right now, and just looking at all that food just make me, just kind of make me a little bit, where's the potatoes at? Oh, here we go, big potatoes. Crawfish etouffee, I want that. Because, I mean, the reason why I like the shrimp etouffee over the crawfish etouffee, because the shrimps is bigger. It's a lot bigger. That's the reason why I like it a lot better. I'm about to order that bad boy, too. I'm about to order, how much? Oh, shit, it's cheap, too. What? What did it come with? Oh, no, that's everything I needed. Cool, okay, everything on there. Alright, cool, fully loaded. I'm ordering me a potato. I ain't gonna lie to you guys. I'm ordering your boy about to order a big ass potato. Hey, I got to, man. All this talking about seafood, I'm hungry. Like I got to, man. I gotta order this potato. I gotta do it. Calling my name right now. I gotta do it. So right now, guys, keep y'all still on SPY. We still are in that range. Let's go ahead and put this out for those who are still looking at SPY at this time. We're still in this range, guys. Oops. Yeah, right here. See, still in this range still. Tops, good put opportunity. Bottoms, you already know it's a good call opportunity. PLTR, like I said, to me, still got room to still push up towards that 72.50. CRWB, what is that, 95? You're still underneath 195. 95. 95 is going to be resistance. I mean, after that little situation, I'm just kind of paranoid to short right now. I'm just kind of a little paranoid to short. So I don't even want to take the opportunity to short right now. I can't do it. Yeah, I'm about to order my potato. I got to. It's just I can't ignore it. I can't do it, man. It's calling my name. Let me see if it's gonna go through. What time they open? 11? I think so. Let me see if it's gonna go through. It's gonna let me do it. It's gonna go through. Is it on it? Got it. Potato. Okay. All right, guys, keep everything on watch. I'm still watching while I'm still got my food getting ordered. I mean, I already got it in the system. We good. So let's keep going. Man, come on, bit rates. Oh shit, I gotta take off my I had to, man. I just couldn't pass it up, man. I was talking about so much seafood, man. I could not do it. I couldn't, even on my live stream, I couldn't do it. Call me a fatty all you want to. I don't give a damn. I don't care what you call me. I'm gonna eat that more. I'm gonna eat it good. No pun intended. Oh shoot, wait. All right, cool. All right. But nah, man. But yeah, like the South, the thing, especially with Louisiana, man, I love, especially when a lot of holidays and cause see, okay, I'm born in February, so a lot of things is tied around my birthday. So I got Mardi Gras, Black History, Valentine's Day. What else is in February? I feel like I'm missing something. Mardi Gras, Black History. Oh, guys, look, CRWV. See that? See why I got out of that short? Look at that squeeze up. See that? That's why I got out. That's why I got out of that short. See that? Look at CRWV. That's why I got it out of that short real quick. Bam. So how can we push on CRWV then? We do have a bull flag pattern. So that bad boy can push up to 70, 97, 50-ish. Because I want to go for like one more trade. Like one more trade. I know PLTR is still pushing. PLTR is still lighting it up. Because I still think we got room to push up to like 72.50. Shout out to Primo for bringing that up. So PLTR still setting up. So let me check out the PLTR. Man, why is the lag kicking in now? It's like, but I know, just being honest. It's like the way when you stream, especially with depending on your hard drive. It's like it goes for so many hours until like the, I don't know, man, like the bit rate starts to go down or whatever the case may be, man. I want to see if we can hold on and need that down trigger. We can play that. I mean, hold the down trigger, but we do have a bull flag pattern. I know, God, I'm trying to figure out. We starting to go back down. And need this bad boy. See how the PLTR. I know we got room to push up towards 72 to 72.50. Let me look at PLTR. Bump that. I'm gonna look at PLTR first, since Primo brought that one up, and it does seem a little bit more stronger. Yeah, I had to order some food. I could not hold back. I couldn't do it. I couldn't do it. Talking about crawfish and crabs and I couldn't do it. I had to do it. I had to order it, man. I had to order it. I mean, just had to do it. I'm trying to see, can I get a good contract on this one? Let me see what I got left. It's the only one I can deal with. At 4 cents though? Let me see. Cause I know PLTR still got some room to push to the upside. I'm just trying to see, can I get these lows real quick? Cause I mean, I know that we have room to possibly push above that 172 to 172.50. CRWV, long of a shadow. You are back underneath this key area here. So that's looking a little weak now. A little bit. So you're underneath this key area here. Yeah, right here, right where we at. See that, guys? Right here, right around the 79, 95.40-ish level. Yeah, guys, if it is getting a little lag, I apologize. I guess again, on how many hours I put in, it starts to do that, man. Let me I'm trying to see if I can find a way to kind of try to create, to decrease the lag on it. Shoot, I don't want it. Let me see what do I have it set for my bit rates, because I want to keep the stream going. Output. I got 65,000. Man, I mean, how much higher they want me to push my bit rates up? Can't go no higher than that. I mean, 6,000. 6,000. I apologize, 6,000. And right now, CRWV trying to go for this U-shaped pattern breakout, but I do see this top. PLTR, I do see a push towards 172 to 172.50. I still see it, but I'm just trying to. If I can get in, I'll try to go in for it. If it let me in, I mean, I'm trying to see if I can get some pullbacks on it. Now, do I think I can go for a short on on CLW? I can still go for shorts as long as we stay underneath this price point, because that'll be like almost like a double top. I can do it, but we definitely want to start to see some red candle step in. Red candle pullbacks underneath 95s, back down this way to 94s. When we start to, get that selling off, go from an uptrend to a downtrend. Still trying to push it, so I'm not chasing just yet. I'm still not, I'm waiting on it to see what's gonna happen. PLTR, I still think it has room to push to the upside. It's just a slow creeper on up, but it's just not taking none of my orders, man. I'm trying to get in when I know Primo already in, and I'm trying to get in with him, but I'm just not getting no push. I'm not push, but I'm not getting no entries. Like these sellers to take it. Because you know me, I don't chase. I like to wait for pullbacks and get into lower areas where I can have a better chance. But yeah, PLTR2 looking this. I mean, CRW is still looking a little tempted too for the short side. I'm looking at this price point right here. I'm looking at that price point, man. Because I do see a possible short opportunity if we stay underneath it. I got two options to go with. I got PLTR and I got CRWV. But PLTR I'm trying to go with first, but I can't get sellers to grab my orders right now. Excuse me. CRWV, I see a put opportunity. PLTR, I see a call. And I know the time it is right now, 12 o'clock. All right, here we go. I think we're starting to pull back down a little bit. So let me see, can we pull back down real quick and then a bounce for another pullback? Even, I don't care, we even pull back down to the 20 EMA and then back up. That means back down towards 170. And I see CRWV right here, right at this 95, almost 95, 40-ish level. Let me see, because I want to go for another put. If I can go for somewhat of like a little double top, I'll do it. Because PLTR is just not pulling back to where I needed to pull back real quick. It's like I got two options. All right, let me see. Let me go back to CRWV just in case. Right now I know we're still fighting. It's starting to break. Never mind. Shit. Never mind. Let me see. Let me see if they're gonna. Let me see if it's gonna be a fake out breakout. I mean, it's a fake out. No, I'm still pushing. What time it is? 2 minutes. If it's a fake out breakout, I can use this as a double top back down. But see, god dang, PLTR still pushing. It's not, and they pull back to the area I wanted, man. Come on. All right, CRWV. Let me go to, because I can play the scalp on that as long as we still need that 95.40. I can play that. So I'm gonna set up two contracts. I'm gonna set up one for a put for CRWV, and I'm gonna set up one for PLTR, which I already have one, but I just ain't got the sellers to pull to my area. Yeah, we're still pushing them. Come on, man. And I know lunch hour is gonna be tricky. I know. Trust me, I know, guys. I know lunch hours are way tricky. Yeah, we can close underneath this. I can utilize this as a double top. Right around 95.40. We got about how many minutes left? About 30 seconds. Like, we close back underneath that. That'll be somewhat of a double top because we can't stay above it. Now, however, if they do stay above it, then I have to continue. I have to play the upside. But as long as we stay underneath this 95.40-ish level, then I mean that could be somewhat of a double top. How are we overextended yet on that? We're around 63. God dang it, man, PLTR. 5 seconds. Underneath. Are we above? Look like we be gapping up on top. Look like we may gap up on top. I think we may gap up on top of this bad boy. So I may not be able to go for a put just yet. See? Damn it. Ah! Never mind. I was trying to see. They utilized this resistance for support to possibly push. That's why I was waiting. Never mind. Never mind on that one. Never mind. See, that's what I'm saying. You gotta have patience, guys, to wait this out. Just wait for these setups. PLTR, I think, still has room to go to the upside, but I just cannot get these damn buyers. Sellers to come back down to my my contracts. Like, I cannot get them to come down to it at all. Oh, now you're starting to pull back, but let me see if it's not gonna be a setup, a bad trap where it looks like it's gonna fall and then go right back on up. Let me see if they're not setting up for a bad trap right back on top of this price point right here on CLWV. PLTR, I still think it has room to go, to go for that push above 172, but I cannot get sellers to grab it yet. I'm trying. Trust me, I'm trying, guys. I'm trying. PLTR pulling back. I'm still not falling for it yet because you're still above all indicators. I ain't stupid. So I ain't falling for that crap. All the indicators are holding up still. Still got your 9, your 20. So I'm gonna keep it on watch to see if we're gonna stay above it. Because I want to see if they're not setting up for a bad trap. If they're not setting up for a bad trap. Because see, they could pull back, do a fake out crackdown where they could trap sellers and then buy right back on up on top of this price point and then shoot back that way. See, that's why that's why I wasn't going in for a put just yet. I was like, nope. In case they set up for a bad trap, because the route that we go on with CRWV, we're still holding up. We're creating somewhat of an uptrend, so I can't short it just yet. PLTR still an uptrend, but I cannot. I'm waiting on these damn sellers to take my damn order. See, look at that bad trap. What I told you. Let's see if they're gonna close right on top of this old resistance, turn it to support for the push back up. See. Bad trap. See, it's like you can read this stuff, but that's the thing about it, guys. That's why I want you to sit back and read it with me. Look like, because right now, boss, look like right now, Primo, look like we're trying to create the next leg up. Look like you came on down, created a U-shaped pattern where you're trapping them, but sellers, trapping those sellers right back on up. So that's what it looked like. So it looked like it came down to get more buyers, trap more sellers right at 93, and then go for that next leg up to go for more of an even powerful push to the upside. So it looked like it was going in to get more people or more buyers to come in for a bigger push. So that's what it looked like it's setting up to do. To go from this level here towards 96 plus. So I agree with you on that one. And PLTR, I'm trying to jump in with you, but I couldn't get sellers to come down to my orders. It's just still holding. I tried to get in, but I couldn't get sellers to grab it. So, I might have to just walk away from that one until we get high, I might have to play the short side. I might have to play the short side on PLTR because I can't get in on the upside. So instead of forcing it, I might have to just wait it out. But yeah, CRWV, see guys how we turn resistance to support. See how they turn this bad boy from a bull trap down to a bad trap. That's what I was telling you. That's why I told you I wasn't going for a short. I ain't stupid. I know, especially on Fridays, I know how they reverse traps. I know exactly how to watch that. I know exactly what they're doing. You gotta pay close attention to details on what they're doing. Especially on Fridays, yeah, do not play on Fridays. Be very, very careful on Fridays. Because trust me, you'll get bit. And you talk to somebody who got bit plenty of times, doing the wrong stupid things. Like, oh man, I'm going in for a put. Not knowing that I'm going right into a bad trap. And next thing you know, I'm getting caught and then it's pushing up. See what I mean? But look right here. All they did was trap new sellers and try to squeeze them out. That's it. Look at your indicators. Everything is still holding up positive. It's still bullish. So I can't go against it. Why? I can't go against the grain. I can't. I can't go against the grain right now. So I'm trying to figure out on how I can take even out. If we do push up, I go for scalps on the upside. I had to switch my contracts, of course. As long as we keep pushing up away from 95.40 up to 96, I'll play it. I'll play it on the upside. I don't care. It is what it is. I'll play it as long as we hold it. So, it's a small opportunity. I'll take it. So I'll do it. Let me see how long I got left for my food. Because once my food come in, I already have to exit. Let me see what we got left. What we got left? Is it still cooking or is it still? Let me see when it's gonna be ready. When it's gonna be heading my way. 11, which would be 12. So 12:35 to 12:40, almost 1 o'clock. All right. I got a Becca with the good hair. Nah, I'm just joking. Nah, just a joke. Becca with the good hair. I gotta have fun, man. They Friday, man. Come on, man. Y'all gotta have fun, man. Y'all can't have a stick stuck up your ass. Y'all gotta have fun. Talk about, what did he say? Stop. Have fun, man. Enjoy life. Life is too short. Life is too short to be too serious. You know what I'm saying? You know, you gotta enjoy life, man. Life is just too short, man. I mean, you gotta, again, guys, you gotta live life to the best of your ability, man. Because you never know, you know, again, tomorrow's not promised to us. I mean, can be gone in a at the blink of an eye. You never know. You can be here 1 minute, then go in the next minute. So, I mean, don't take that for granted, man. And for anybody, for all platforms, Twitch, YouTube, Kick, whoever's watching me, man, don't take life for granted, man. Have fun. Have fun, man. Don't, and I'm just being honest. Don't have a stick stuck up your ass and just take everything all serious. Don't do that, man. Don't do that. Have fun. Have fun, man. Enjoy your life. Enjoy yourself, man. Yo, you have every right to do so. Men and women. Kids, too. Enjoy life. Life is too short. Man, and look at this. PLTR is still trending up. I still can't even get in on this bad boy. It's like I got no sellers came down to my orders. Well, it's because we got too many buyers in the area I'm in. It's like, how many we got on sellers? I mean, on buyers? Like 11,000 buyers. Yeah, I can't get in on that one. I can't. It's like where the lows are located. I can't get in. It's like they piled up right there. I'm trying to go for some. Let me see. Can I grab my orders on CRWV? We still pushing up, man. I'm trying to go for some scalps, but come on, man. Give me some scalping opportunities at least. Something. They still ain't grabbing even my orders on CRWV. They still not grabbing none of my orders. I'm trying to go for quick scalps in and out. As long as it be like I said, as long as there's uptrend bills. I mean, look at PLTR. I still can't get in. Oh my God. And I told you guys from 172 to possible 172.50 on PLTR. I told you got an uptrend, but I just can't get in. I'm trying numerous times trying to get into these trying to get sellers to come down to my orders. It just keep going. I can't get them to grab it. I can't. So what I do is, instead of stressing myself out, yeah, and we talked about it, Primo. We did talk about it, boss. 172, and the area I had was 172 to 172.50. So if we do break above 172, I do think the next key level, Primo, is gonna be up to 172.50, boss. So I think that's gonna be next year. But I was trying to get in, but I can't get I couldn't get sellers to come out to my order. Now it moved up to like 6 cents. Well, the contracts I have, because I'd have been up already. It's like I can't get them to come down. Man, I would have been up on profits on this one already. I mean, even what 5 contracts on that? Even 2 cents was $10. Up 15. Let me see how far would it have to move for me to make a decent profit though. 10. Let me see, cause $50 is what I have to wait for the push up all the way to 14 to make 50. Man, and it's still pushing, man. I can't even get in on it. So anytime, like I said, it's up to you guys. I mean, you can still ride the momentum up, but do be careful that we are getting overbought on, and I'll go back to it on my 1 hour chart. Let me go to, that was PLTR. Where we at right now as far as the RSI on my 1 hour? We already know where we at right now on this? 77? 77. So like I told you guys, I do think that we may push up all the way up towards that 200-day moving average. I mean, consecutive. And like I said, be mindful of a possible reversal that could present itself later on. So be mindful of that as we pushing on right up to that 200-day moving average, which is going to be around 72.50-ish level. Be mindful of sellers that may be sitting right there waiting. I'm just letting you guys know ahead of time. Be very mindful. As we push up this way, right around at 200, and again, you're already overbought. So it's like, I know we keep pushing, and it's like, just be careful. So I'm gonna say, just be careful. Please be careful. Because I wouldn't tell you anything to hurt you. I'll tell you anything to help you. Anything to help, I'll do the best that I can. I'm not perfect, but I want you guys to be safe and be careful, especially on Fridays. Especially on Fridays. Be very careful. Is it still showing an error on my YouTube? See what I mean? Like the lag. I hate that crap. It's like the minute my stream goes on longer, it's like the bit rate starts to lag. I don't know why it does that, man. It's annoying. It's like I can't change it. I mean, if I do change it, because it's up to 6,000. It's like how much more they need me to push the damn bit rates on this damn thing. All right, 72, a little bit of resistance, and then CRWV, you are back underneath that 95.40. Man, one of these two gonna have a good pullback coming. I know it is. Now with PLT, CRWV, right back underneath that 95.40, we went up to 96, back underneath here. Look like we about to start to turn. Cause I know the driver's on her way to drop my food. I know I gotta soon go. So I'm trying to bear with you guys as much as I can. I just want to go for a few, cause okay, and I'm gonna show y'all another trick that y'all may not know that I had to learn. I especially I'm gonna speak on CRWV. CRWV can be very tricky, and I'm gonna tell you why. And I had to learn from this too. As you get to the second half of the market, be very careful, especially as the spreads, because they'll start to try to trap you now. They'll try to trap the crap out of you. Because trust me, I've been in those positions where they start to they tighten up on their they'll try to tighten up on the bids and the ask, right? And they'll start to do this. They'll start to trap you to where you're not making a lot of profits. Where you're kind of prone to lose in a way. And I don't care if CRWV traders are listening to me. I don't care if they get mad or not. I'm gonna tell the traders that don't get caught in traps, because they'll try to trap you. Funk them. I don't care what they say. They kiss my you know what. Because I'm gonna tell the traders to help them. Play their little stupid ass games. You know, no, I'm not playing them little childish games. But you know, I'm not about it, you know. I'm trying to go for let me see. Yeah, let me see. I got push, right? CLW? Yeah, it's push. Okay. Ain't even 95.40. I mean, I need 95.40. What we talked about? 95.40. Pull it back. All right. Come on. Oh, shoot. Let's go! I got him. Can I get any more? I don't think he's going to let me do it no more, though. Can I get another trade on that one? I caught that bull right back underneath, baby. Told you gotta just be careful and just be patient and read it. Read between the lines. Y'all got this. I don't know if it's gonna let me do it though. I don't know if it's gonna let me grab no more. Come on. Don't be like that. Let me get like one more trade in. Come on, man. Don't do that. Don't do this. Oh, I think my ride is almost here, guys. Shoot, let me see what she at. I think she's not too far from where I'm at. Shoot, I was trying to do one more trade before I head out. Let me see if I can do it again. At least one more. I gotta be very careful, because I know Fridays they like to trap. They like to trap in Memphis. I know how y'all do. I know what y'all do. They like to trap people. I was trying to do it. Yeah, guys, I think my ride is almost here for my So guys, let me go ahead and get ready to log off. Cause I know my driver's almost here. Oh shit, she almost here right now. Hold up, guys, give me a minute. Let me see if she's here. I think it's pulling up now. Hold up, give me a minute. Give me a minute. Be right back. All right, guys. Yeah, they just dropped it off. God dang it, they didn't take my order, huh? Oh, I was trying to go for one more. Look, right back underneath that 95.40. I was trying to do another one before I hit on out. God dang it, I was trying to go for one more trade, man. Jeez, it didn't let me do it. I was trying to do like at least one more. At least one more. Let me see if I can do it. They're going to let me do it. We're still pulling back. Let me grab it. Nope. Oh, they did grab it. Let me see. Yeah, like I said, on Fridays, be very careful. Be very careful because they trust me. They slick with try to trap people. They love to trap people on Fridays. I know right now we're starting to pull back. Third red candle down. Third red candle down is a good sign. That's a good. Come on. Just trying to catch this trade real quick so I can get in and out and I'm done. In and out and I'm done. Come on. Up, they'll bounce back on up. They'll bounce back up. Yep. Keep this on watch. Right now, you're in between these two indicators, guys. The 9 MA, 20 MA. Keep that on watch. I mean, I can add another one if I wanted to. Let me see. Because I want to make sure. I want to see if you can get this continuation pull. Continuation pull back down. Yep, they'll bounce back up. They'll bounce back on up. I'm going to add another one. Let me see. Because I know we underneath the 95.40. 95.40. So that'd be your possible third. Let me see if they're setting up for a possible bull. Let me see if they're going to set up for a bull trap. Bull trap. So right now you got two red candles down. So I know you're trying to bounce real quick. Let's see. Keep it on watch. SPY was still not too much of nothing. I said just in and out trade. I'm done. In and out. I'm done. Done with this crap for today. Fridays, like I said, I know can be a very, very tricky. I know Fridays can be very tricky. That's why I said don't fall, especially on CRWV and them. On Fridays, don't fall for their trickery. Don't fall for their bull crap because they'll try to trap you in so many ways. Because they'll try to tighten up the spreads where they'll try to trap you. Because I had to learn from my mistakes, guys. I had to learn from my mistakes on what not to do. Trust me, I had to learn from it. They'll bounce back on up because they're trying to bounce off of that 9. They're trying to bounce off the 20 EMA. 20 EMA back on up. And look at PLTR right back on even 172. So a lot of them starting to turn a little bit. A lot of them starting to turn just slightly. Yeah, bro, boss, I'm almost done, man. I'm trying to get all this done. So let's see how far. Okay, so we need to fall underneath. What's that? 94.50. All right, so 94.50 still holding. 94.50 still holding. So we can get that crack underneath 94.50. You do have room to fall back down to 94. We would get that now transition from an uptrend now to a downtrend. So don't fall for their trickery. Don't fall for their bullshit. So like I said, as they go up, watch for them move back on down because they may possibly be setting out for a transition. So as quick as you went up from 93s up to the 96, which is a $3 move, look for that move possibly slowly going back on down where they could possibly. Like I said, watch this key level. They could be possibly setting up bias back up towards these highs. So just keep that on watch. Because I just don't want y'all getting caught. I don't want y'all getting trapped on Fridays. Because just be careful on Fridays, man. Be careful on Fridays. Because what we want to see, we want to fall back underneath that 95. Back down towards the 94.50 to 94. So again, we want to turn this area here back into resistance. So as we go back on up, we want to create bull traps. Bull trap. And then from that level, down to 95. Because you got to remember, the goal for the shorts is to pull back down. So you want to go from the 94s, this 95.40 down into the 95s, from 95 down to 94.50. So because again, you want to go from green to red. You want to go from buyers to sellers. So just be careful on that. So I'm just telling you guys, just be mindful, be careful. But yeah, guys, somebody be heading on out. Man, I ain't gonna lie, I was waiting on that PLTR 72.50. They didn't give me what I wanted. I ain't gonna lie, I was waiting on it. I was waiting on it too. God didn't give me what I wanted. I was literally waiting on that. Yeah, they didn't give me what I wanted. I was waiting to short it because I told you that short was coming on PLTR. Because I told you getting overbought. I was waiting on it, man. They didn't give it to me. I had orders up here. What I should have did was do both. I should have did 172 and 172.50, but I had my eyes peeled on one particular price point, and that was on me. That's why I missed out. That's my fault. It happens. You know, sometimes you get good trades, sometimes it's, you know. But yeah, guys, I'm about to soon be heading on out, man. I'm going to be wishing everybody a happy and blessed weekend, man. Let me give a love to everybody before I do head on out. Where's my thank you thing at? Where's it at? Let me give love to everybody as I am heading on out. Again, JTraedz, give love to you guys. Also, again, oops, I'm pressing the wrong thing, am I? My fault. W Mines, thank y'all so much for everything. And also, Nadia, once again, thank you for the super chat. Appreciate you. And again, guys, if you are new to my channel, please do your boy a favor, and you already know what I'm about to say, man. Hit that button, man, and go to YouTube channel. Hit that subscribe button if you already subscribed to my YouTube channel. Hit them thumbs up, man, because that goes a long way, man. It builds up on the algorithms, guys, and we are trying to move our way here now to 1,500. Because again, we're trying to reach out as many people as we can and help as many people as we can, man. But thank you guys in general for giving me over 1,000 subscribers, because I wouldn't have made it if it wouldn't have been for you guys. So again, thank you guys so much. God bless y'all, man. I wish y'all nothing but the bless. And let me go ahead and take that off. And if you are, and again, you can also go to my Twitch and my Kick. Follow or subscribe to avoid the ads, of course. And last but not least, you guys have a blessed and safe weekend. We will have a full week next week, Monday through Friday, and I will post to my Patreon, updates from earnings and economics and everything else that we do have that could be coming on up. But guys, thank y'all so much for everything. And again, thank you for helping me get to where I am at today in my career, my live streaming career. And we're going to keep it rocking and rolling, and we're going to keep elevating more and more and more. But thank you, guys. I hope everybody stay blessed. I hope everybody stay safe. And you already know what I'm about to say before I head on out. Maximize your reward, minimize your risk. Always put great over greed, and you will succeed every single time. Till then, guys, stay blessed, stay safe, and I will see you guys next week for Money Monday. Love y'all. Peace.
Subscribe for more content.